Go ahead and cue National Guard on standby for rapid deployment to Washington as soon as Monday. Thanks so much. Perfect. Eternal Death Slayer 3. Hey. Hello, traders. Welcome. It's episode 907 of the show. You could be doing anything. You're here. Somehow you should be sleeping. Because if you're watching me in the morning, if you're watching me this afternoon, how could you be watching me now? Whew. Yeah, this is kind of historic. I think there's only one other time in history I've done 3 streams in a day before. So, welcome to history. All like nearly 200 of y'all. Thanks. And this is Patreon night too, so it's very special. Get to hang out with the peoples, get to break from the monotony of just talking to myself. Well, I'm talking with y'all, right? But it's just a different dynamic, this stream. It's like, just think about it like a different show on the same channel, but it's with my peoples, right? The peoples that make this possible. All right. So we're gonna head over there, and when it was only me,
and then just like that,
it was them. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Good to see y'all. We are live. Just letting you know. Are we cool?
We cool, man. We cool.
Kinda cool.
Excellent. So,
Good, relax, connect.
before we were rudely interrupted by stream time, Halliburton destroyed at, what other word for it? You know, like what is the other word besides critical areas? Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt because y'all were probably talking about something before I came in, so my bad. Y'all finish up your combo.
Life-changing wealth opportunities.
Yeah? When now?
Over the next 18 months, 2 years.
Yeah. Because you just don't.
Trade 2008, 2009, 2010. I didn't trade it, but I had some buying for me. So, yeah.
What makes you say that, Jeff? Because we're entering a recession and stocks are going to bottom out.
We're in a
Yeah, and the shortest recession ever was 18 months.
Yeah, we're already in a recession.
Dude, crap, I'm getting kilobytes per second issues. Sorry.
I think I was trying to explain it before. VIX needs to come down for larger money to put in a local bottom. We may go lower after, but they can't right now because the VIX is so high. Their capital requirements are ridiculous, and like you can't have, like, a lot of hedge funds had to de-risk, de-lever. So there's a lot of banks and hedge funds sitting in very small positions or just cash.
Or they've been liquidated
VIX comes down.
already.
I think there's a total of 315 something that were completely liquidated. A lot of them were like taken down from, if you were a really big fund, you got to like 13x. Most of them were given 10x leverage, but they were reduced down to 3x leverage. So if you had 100.
Hey, Skyfish, could you put on push to talk, maybe? Possibly. It's not Skyward, it's Skyfish. What, man? Dude, did Skyward change his name?
Any skies?
Yeah, all skies are, yeah, we're just gonna discriminate, yeah. You freaking mic openers. Dude, I'm having kilobyte per second issues. Is there lag? Anyone in the chat want to give me a feedback on the stream quality? Because it's being stupid. It does it sometimes, and I don't like it.
Stream looks good through.
People are saying Jeff needs to move up his mic.
Maybe I can turn him up. Hold on.
On the computer, it looks good.
Oh, I need to turn like everybody up on Discord. Because, yeah, I was reviewing the Patreon night. So I go into my mixer, right, to do that? My audio mixer?
Yes, if you want to turn up Discord's sound, yeah.
Yeah, that's all I need, because it's like everyone was too freaking quiet last week. See, Discord.
I think I was one of those people. My mic was away from my face. So
Here we go. Turn it up. And give me some feedback, chat, on their voices now, because I just turned it up. People seem glitchy.
I just felt like streaming. Let's compare that to the normal one.
Go Bradford Rangers.
Ooh.
Can you all hear me?
Yeah,
That's better.
Okay, everyone. Now I'd have to adjust because now some people might be too. It's like hitting my ears loud. So I don't know if that is. I don't know, dude. It's this is not easy, ever. And everyone changed their names. Like I don't know. All the mods are like different versions of each other or something now. I don't even. Brad Koshi Fisher Tomo. Is that Brad? No, it's Kanatomo. See, like, yeah, I was real confused trying to message Zachary. Oh man, frame rate looks slow. Spock talk. Does anyone else feel that way? Now we're good now. Kilobytes are stable now. We're good. We're like 12K, no problem. And it's 12K and holding steady, sir. Sweet. All right.
Looks good to me.
Awesome. Well, yeah, VIX is nuts. It's cooled off a decent amount. I mean, it was at 85.
2 calm down days. Yeah. Tomorrow, I mean, hopefully within the weekend, it's freaking.
It's just elevated. It's just staying. It's still just like, it's supposed to be straight up, straight down. Like straight up, straight down. And we're just even if we're like, you know, just stalling up here, that's still real bad. I mean, it's supposed to crash. Like it's supposed to come back down like fast, and it's just not. You just have this elevated risk in the market. And it's so warranted, you know.
But like our up days are we had like a 1% up day. Like that's what we have.
Less than 1% today. Yeah.
That's what we need. We need less than like 1. That's what will drop the VIX quicker than anything.
Yeah, for sure.
Up 6%. We don't want to like that's. Neither of them are good.
Yeah, still volatility.
Hey Jeff, what level of VIX would you think you need to see before institutions could start putting risk back on? You have to stay under like 35.
45 has been the recent like resistance area.
Yeah, 50
So
gets
straight
hit
up
over and
double
over and
that,
over.
pretty much.
But like regulatory wise, like where the the banks are being told and the funds are being told, is there like a certain number that needs to be, how?
It's not off the VIX. It's off another thing. It's off a thing called VVIX. So it's like the volatility of the volatility market. I don't know the exact number now, but from what I understand, they'll start 55, then 45, then under 30, they can go back to full leverage.
Okay, that makes sense. Didn't in 2008, 2009, the VIX stayed like above 45 for what, like 5-6 months?
It went up to 100 something. It was throughout summer of 2018. I think it was above 45. Then from October through like October 2008 through April 2009, I think you're above 85 ish. The VIX just didn't move back then.
So gold on the 4-hour double bottoming,
No, I don't.
diverging connect. Sorry, I was over here and I was like, something's going on, and it's like, look at this, gold's starting to engulf. Right?
Yeah, I just took a long gold.
That's beautiful. I need that. I've got a bunch of calls in my IRA.
Yeah, not financial advice, but
Not financial, but
that's what I was saying. Like the first guy in line during the crash
Gold chat.
is the guy long equities. The second guy in line is the guy that's all long gold. They both crash. Gold is a hedge against inflation, or it's a
And that's what's going to happen with the amount of freaking money like being
Look at
injected
the
into the
dollar.
system.
The
So
DXY has
stupid.
been ridiculous.
Oh, God, man.
Right now, and it's like
It's breaking the world, dude.
people keep like pinging me. They're like, "Look at the Aussie dollar, you're getting wrecked." I'm like, "Sweet, I'll keep cost dollar averaging in because that'll be the quickest one to rebound." We're getting, the dollar's gonna dump. It's a safety trade right now, and people are sitting in the dollar, so all good.
Yeah, dude, gold. I mean, it just...
Australia.
It's just such a weird event, man. It's like never happened. So we have no samples of like really this particular type of situation. And on top of that, you got oil. It's just like we're living this crazy, weird, messed up scenario, with no real history.
You can go back to like 9/11 because we were just kind of.
Yeah, but dude, like people went to work. They were at work when 9/11 happened. On 9/12, millions and upon millions of people went back to work everywhere in the world. And now everywhere in the world, no one's going to work. And there's still news coming out about people continuously, having to work from home. People, like 2 people got laid off, people in chat, live chat.
Yeah.
Looks like my wife and me are both laid off today, officially. It's like, dude, that's continuing.
Yeah, that's real. It's a
So different.
game, dude.
It's so worse.
This would be a lot worse 10, 12 years ago because people can.
Yeah, no internet stuff, right?
Easier, and people can work from home. I know there's people in the service industry. That's a huge part of our population. That's going to be really affected badly. But whatever. What's the announcement? The $1,200 checks coming out.
Only coming out for people that make less than $99,000 a year or something. If you make more than that, you don't.
75K.
Oh, 75. Okay.
Yeah, that doesn't work though. You take people that are in large urban environments that
Or company
not
owners,
really-
entrepreneurs, that
exactly, yeah.
the ones giving jobs out. Yeah.
Through everybody. So
They give them
Yeah,
500
good
per
luck.
child too.
But then you also have
Let's make more children.
Service workers. Most of their bosses are laying them off. They're able to file for unemployment. They're not going to fight the unemployment, and so they'll collect unemployment while the restaurant's closed and then open back up. But how many? This is
Sorry to interrupt. Yo, what's up, 1G?
Come and go. You're going to lose some.
One sec. Got. I'm gonna have this up. This is the futures chart for now. Just got it up and do something. All right. No, I mean like y'all just keep going. Y'all just keep talking. I'm
Futures. I would assume you got Asia trading. Asia's been. I'm putting my tinfoil hat on. Their economy's been wrecked, so they've been manipulating our futures. We're always down 5%, 3.5% with them trading it. There's like no defense mechanism, but they have to buy to close today to roll over.
Oh yeah, because the witching tomorrow, triple witching or quadruple, yeah.
Tomorrow's triple. No
Triple,
quadruples.
not quadruple.
Yeah, triple witching.
All right, I'm gonna post this. Publish. Oh my God, dude.
The expirations of like equity options, futures contracts.
Oh, that's what witching refers to.
Major options, yeah, like quarterly. It's the end of the quarter for a lot of these contracts. Is the third Thursday of each quarter. Third
So
Friday of each quarter.
So there's like no actual occult rituals.
There might be. We just don't know about it. We're not privy to that info.
It's like an RPG LARPing kind of thing.
Yeah, have you ever seen Boiler Room and the parties they had?
Don't worry about the beeps. Sorry.
Wall Street? Yeah, they might have done some witching stuff.
It's not a party until some voodoo enters the building.
That's right. Oh my God, dude. Exciting about this.
See, look up the futures right now. See what, because futures should say something.
Oh, dude. So
Any
dog.
of you
Is that a
comment on
joint?
the bank bail-in provisions of the Dodd-Frank Act? Thank you.
All right. I can't. Prebs, maybe you can. There's a TTS coming up. Maybe you want to answer, or anyone in here.
Yeah.
Thanks. Thank you. Blow man. What's up, Patrick? What's up, dude? Oh my God, dude.
Yeah, I have the extra delay because of Roku.
Oh, get wrecked.
1G, what's up, man?
1G in the house?
Yeah, man. But he's in the deep boonies of Canada, so he's probably good, dude. Corona's not even going to attempt to step into that wilderness.
Dude, how's the Corona gonna survive if you're just like chugging beers on like the hour, you know?
Dude, I'm good. No, there has not been any wheel spin attempts. So it's good, man.
There's divergence on like Corona.
I don't know, man. There's bullish divergence. There's bullish convergence on that.
Bullish convergence, that's right.
Bank bail-in, currently with where we're at right now, they can't do that. It's basically when bank bail-in is they're
Spin chug rat.
Oh, man.
they're basically
Oh my God. Sorry, dude. I'm stuck in the middle of something. Sorry, just went TTS. I will spin. Let me finish this and we will be kings. I'm sorry. Don't worry about it. Go on. My bad.
just basically like they're able to take unsecured creditors, like people that deposit, like JP Morgan Chase Bank could use the deposits from their bank. People would hold bonds through them through investing with them. Use other people's money that's being held with them to put towards their liquidity requirements. Yeah, I mean, could it happen? Yeah, not right now because the VIX is too high. But I mean, I'm sure it's going to go up. But we have higher savings rate and lower individualized credit outside of student debt than in a long time.
Sorry, almost done. My God. It's just such a... Alright.
Sorry, Blarg Derp, but no one outside of Canada knows what CFB Trenton is.
The reason big banks were not participating in the repo market is because they weren't doing big bail-ins. They were trying to keep their necessary liquidity to, one, have the necessary liquidity for the investments they had, the risk they had on at the current risk volatility. There's a formula, and then two, they also provide the leverage. They
Sorry about
pays it for a ton of hedge funds. And then every day at 10:30, it's 10:30 Pacific, 12:30 your time, Mitch, and then 1:30 Eastern. That's when the banks give out basically a margin call to the hedge funds, saying you need to
pay, settle up.
What's up?
You say, okay, deleverage, not settle up?
Yeah, it's always at the same
Every
time.
day, right? Every day at the same time.
Yeah, well, it was only happening like the oil one, like anyone along oil. But as the VIX reached through certain levels, there's a mathematical formula it's a federally regulated thing.
Gonna open a beer now.
Deleverage.
Beer back.
That was crypto was deleveraged, gold was deleveraged, bonds were deleveraged. When you see all that selling, like every single investment selling, that's de-risking, deleveraging. Yeah, they're being forced to sell positions.
So you think everyone's at a 3x now, max?
Currently, yes. Yeah.
What would cause it to go to basically 1x or 2x?
1x would be probably a VIX around 100. I think you're maxed out now with current laws. So, but that's why the bigger
What do you mean by
banks have
maxed out? Like everyone has as much leverage on as they can, or we're as low as they're going to go as far as?
No, it's the lowest leverage that they're gonna be brought down to. So the banks could deleverage.
So you could see potentially a bottom here over a long period.
Jeff, check your chat. Check your the chat. Allison Nathan chat. Oh wait, you already found it. Okay, never mind. Sorry. Dude. I'm sometimes slow on messages. I get, some decent amount of messages sometimes, so it's like, ugh.
Yeah, I put on the hockey mask.
Yeah. The
hockey mask.
CCCP coronavirus mask.
I am.
Wait, Jeff is quiet still? Alright, maybe he's less quiet now. I turned him up. Dude, they're so behind. James, that was like
he was a little
announced.
quiet for me. I had to turn down everyone else and turn him up a bit.
I got my Tom Brady mug with the Patriots on it. Let's go, dude. It's gonna be worth 10 billion pundies one day.
Will 10 billion pundies even be worth anything?
Nope.
Maybe a few ripples.
Nope.
There you go.
Multiply 10 billion by a 0.
Mike Lamb, yes.
Trillion pundies.
Music might be too loud. Okay, sorry. That could definitely.
It'll probably be worth like a few ignition coins, right?
Yeah, maybe a few, dude. Maybe a few. No, it's turned down. There's no way anyone could hear it anyway.
At least if it was like a crappy currency like the Bolivar, then at least you could wipe your butt with it. You know, since toilet paper's at like gold right now, but what can you do?
No, but it has the plastic and linen fibers in it, so people choose toilet paper over the Bolivar.
Yeah, but I'm talking about comparative to pundy. I'm talking about waste, like.
Oh yeah, pundy's just a digital nothing. You can't
look
do
what
nothing.
Look what Blarg just said. Oh my god. You're in the wrong season, man.
Someone wanted to short India. I was like, what's the ticker for India? I'm like, it's the Nifty 50, but it was like, why do you want to short India? He's like,
Did they lock down or
people,
something?
Walk around in their own poo and stuff.
Oh my god, dude. Yeah, that's it, dude. You realize you can only go up. Probably can only get better.
That's your trading indicator. That
yeah, dude.
People, you have a conception that people are in poo in the country.
Yeah. Have you noticed you're not getting any like IRS scam calls recently?
Yeah,
Nah, dude, I've been getting the Apple scam calls, like the IRS ones gave up, but the
from
Apple
the
ones.
IRS. We're calling to let you know that your Social Security benefits are immediately suspended. I don't get Social Security. I'm not old enough. Yes, sir. Here it shows your Social Security benefits are suspended.
Did they find my Toyota Corolla in El Paso with my 6 pounds of cocaine and like blood soap floor mats in there? That was mine.
No, because you only own Lamborghinis, dude.
Whoa.
Like, that's the scam, dude. They call you up and they're like, your social security number's been disconnected. Because
they kept.
Bro, one time one of them like found my
sheriff's on
grandma
the way.
somehow, dude. And like they didn't know my name, but they just found out she had a grandson. And they called my grandma and were like, "Oh, this is the bail bonds company. Like, your grandson is arrested and like his guardians won't answer, so you need to transfer us $10,000."
Yeah.
And
they can't get away with transferring. So it's like,
oh yeah,
we need you
Yeah,
to
if he's
stay on the
pundy or
phone
something.
and go to the Target and get Google Play or Apple gift cards and give us the numbers.
Oh,
I'm like, that's gonna ruin the scam because so many old people are gonna be like, "Huh? You want me to get Google Play cards?" Yeah, good luck.
Yeah, it's weird. You know, there's a guy that streams that. That's his notoriety. That's like, hey, I'm TA, right? He's like, I troll scammers all day on stream.
I love him.
The Twitch guy.
Are you talking about
the voice
are you talking
changer?
about Kit Boga?
Probably.
Yeah, there's a bunch of them. The guy that there's one that keys him. That one that went in and got all like opened up and showed all these people. He blanked out their stuff, but all their names, Social Security, bank account numbers, all this stuff, all the data they'd collected already, and like he grabbed it off there. But yeah, they're like the sheriff's.
Yeah,
coming
I
to
enjoy
arrest
that
you right
dude.
now. I was like, oh, all right, well, let's hold on. Called the sheriff's department and got the undersheriff on the phone. And he's like, "Who's this?" And they're like, "We're working with the not Los Angeles County Sheriffs. We're working with the U.S. County Sheriffs." He's like, "Oh yeah, the U.S. County Sheriffs. They have jurisdiction over us." He's like, yes, of course. You see, it's a very serious operation. And then he just started teasing him. He's like, there is no U.S. county. He's like, I'm the second highest ranking person in L.A. County. And we don't serve civil notices outside of foreclosures.
Yeah, I like that dude on Twitch. Like, not only is he funny, but like the whole reason he does it is to spread awareness, so like people's grandmas and grandpas like don't get scammed. And he does like hilarious stuff. Like when he has his fake bank page up, it'll be like Leroy Jenkins Financial.
Yeah.
It's like hilarious.
They created like a second computer. I took a lot of reports, a lot of like elderly people getting scammed for 20 to 80,000, and you could trace it all the way back to where it came from, and there's nothing you could do. It sucked. But that was a decade ago.
So they've stopped calling. They're scared of the coronas. Figure business will be booming.
Oh yeah.
For them.
They can't be in the same room together.
Oh yeah, and they all working like stupid. Yeah, like scrubby.
I ended up tracing back like the VOIP number and getting it back, and it was like, here's a satellite image of where you're at. Here's a satellite image of your house, and your crappy 1973 Gremlin or whatever the hell you're driving. He's like, that's not my house. Pretty sure it is.
Wait, is this updated? 10,000? Yeah, 10,030 deaths. So that just eclipsed. Coronavirus deaths worldwide is now 10K.
Do you see
We did
any
it, Chad.
situation in which trading could be halted for an extended period? Spin, chug, spin, chug, spin.
The local
chug.
bottoms end is when any kind of good news makes the market rise far more. When we stop.
Thanks a lot for the 10.
Giving two F's about the yield curve inverting a little bit.
Wait for the question on stream.
Okay, so
We do need a safe word. I think Cannon told me, Bryce, like you need a safe word for like when you get tipped, so like people don't think I'm being rude and interrupting, because I don't like interrupting, but I also like it's like I'm stuck, because y'all don't know I'm.
No, they're going tomorrow or Monday. New York Stock Exchange is going. It's all run off computers, anyways. It's starting tomorrow or Monday. No, I don't see any reason that the stock exchange would be closed. Either that or the Nasdaq. Now you have the Pacific.
It would be
Stock
terrible
Exchange
for sentiment. It would kill. It would be so bad, dude. And it's like people would find ways to trade anyway. There would be like people make overseas markets. Like people create derivatives. They would find ways, dude, to dump this market.
Freak out because you're saying I can't get to my liquidity now. So
Yeah, dude, it's so bad. It would be terrible. Sorry.
There's the argument of physically held gold versus GLD and different things, and it's trading on
Another
the
beer
Forex
would be a
site,
good spin.
going through the
Thanks,
last
Jeff,
one,
man.
It's
Good to you.
it's liquidity that you need because, like I said, it dropped down, it recovered faster, but like during that drop down, you can't go to Costco and buy groceries for your family with the bar of gold.
Safe. Social.
So it's all
Here you go,
about
Miss Jama.
liquidity-ness, but so
Yeah, it's true.
New York is going all.
All what?
New York Stock Exchange is going all
Virtual.
electronic. What?
Yeah.
Tomorrow or Monday.
Next
Monday.
tomorrow.
Monday it starts.
Monday. Tomorrow's too big of a day for them to do it.
Yeah.
But even then, like if you see it on CNBC, there's probably 25 traders on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. It's like Nasdaq. There's none.
Ghost town.
All the people walking around. Yeah.
That's like it's even less liquidity. Isn't it true you can't trade at home? Like those people can't trade at home. Like if you're a floor trader, you have to trade there.
Yeah, they can't trade. That's why like Jim Cramer has to trade for a travel trust. Yeah, once you give up your license, and if you're a floor trader or work there, you're not allowed to own stocks, anything, because you have too much inside information.
That's true. That's very true. Damn, Miss Jav, man. Yeah, and it's like your vulnerabilities to cyber attacks, all that liability, right? It's just a bunch of things.
Yeah.
Plus, why would you want to trade at home? Why would you want to trade at home when you've got that high frequency like broadband or whatever, you know, that no one else has? I'm sure on the trading floor, right?
Back in those days, yeah.
I'm saying now though.
The guys on, yeah, they're not traders there really.
Yeah.
They're market makers. They're liquidity providers.
Mm-hmm.
So I mean, they work for. Either they're working for a bank who's buying and selling, and they run in and, you know, hey, you know, they look to other market makers to buy and sell positions, or
God, got me, dude.
Yes. The NYSE, there's just like a couple guys for different sectors in each area. Like there's one guy for Apple, one guy for Microsoft. Your huge caps have a guy each, and then you have like one guy from 100 billion to 200 billion market cap. There's not that many people. Even in the big firms, you don't have really traders. Traders are the analysts.
Yeah.
That don't actually put on the trades. They do what you do: technical analysis, fundamental analysis. Say we like this position because of this. Then their boss says, "Okay, do it." And then either the algos enter the position, or like they'll have an old school professional trader that'll do institutional order flow to get in that position.
FYX, I have no idea. Look what FYX asks. You know how to answer that?
I didn't see his question.
He's you know, ambitious, man. But I mean, it's true.
Auto loan defaults and corona cases outside of China.
Yeah, we could get it created, man.
Yeah, Mitch has one to go about long auto loan defaults and corona cases outside of China. You would look up the largest.
This is not financial advice.
Creditors of different companies. So Cab West is a big one. Like you have these different banks that deal with just auto loans and stuff. So,
yeah, here there's an exchange in Wuhan.
Like someone else brought up the idea, but taking a position in, I think it was Progressive. The chart wasn't anything impressive, but because of people being inside, and they really all their risk is, you know, non-commercial.
He was just kidding.
Drivers getting into accidents.
Jeff doesn't care. He's like, "Now we're doing this."
Yeah, we're going, dude. We're continuing this.
Go up. Yeah. No, I took a long on Progressive. If any companies, their overhead's going to go way down.
Bruh.
Less people out driving on the road, less car accidents. So they'll actually probably beat their earnings.
I just felt like streaming.
Anyone else having laggy issues?
We'll create a way for you to short the corona fix.
I inserted the.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, let's go long.
Has like a track record with being smart about
Makes sense.
Things.
You like to go long auto and college loan defaults. There's a lot of people that shorted a lot of different debt, FYX, back in the day. They were shorting Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, and guess what happened?
Can we long the national debt?
They got taken over by the government, and you couldn't close out your position. Get wrecked. Yeah. It's like Carnival Cruise and some of these things are down that much. Yeah, they're going to get, I mean, they're may go into bankruptcy, but
Dang, I'm the only one that thought that was funny.
What?
So, like, you got done with the sentence, and, like, as soon as you got done with the sentence, I inserted the, I just felt like streaming, and it was perfect. And it's like, no one...
I can't hear the stream, dude.
Yeah, no one here can hear it, but, like, no one in the chat is even, like, acknowledging that it even happened. And I'm over here laughing
I'm sure
hard.
some people don't even realize it's actually Grouse.
Or they just might have thought that he did it. Like, oh yeah, he was
He
just
said it live.
It was like his call. It's his call. You know, you gonna go about some Discord chat, Discord man.
It's his tagline.
Yeah, I just feel like streaming. Thanks so much.
Hey, FYX man, thanks for the sub. You get any questions about TA? Hit us in chat or Discord. You Jesus man.
Dude, man. Let's go look at the scomp, man.
Don't YOLO puts, and please don't put technical analysis from Wall Street Bets in our Discord. You Jesus man.
Dude, I haven't looked at the Shanghai Composite in a while. It finally crashed again. Nice. Look where it went. Why do I have that?
On 3M.
Why do I have that plot? Oh, look where China is. 2016. Lows. What a bounce. Like a king. Respecting the TA somewhat. And bullish divergence. Now they can make the excuse. They can be like, yes, we've crashed. You see, world, we're not a fake market. Now, look, we're going to pump because of bullish divergence now. It's not going to be because of, fake market. Sorry.
Let me look and see if that's the China Connect stocks. They're there. You know, they're all numbered. Freaking ridiculous.
Danny thought it was you. Well, it was him, but it's a clip on my soundboard, dude. Alex F. Skater, thanks for skating on over to follow me on Twitch. Much love. So yeah, divergent on the MACD Connect, kind of, or converging, diverging, kind of weird, right? Maybe, dude. Maybe we're gonna infect this asset with bullish divergence.
F to be in just the Patreon chat only and not be listening to the damn stream.
I know, dude. It sucks. It'd be so much better on Twitch, and it's just like we did it, man. We did it on Twitch. It's just like no one shows up, man. Like, and we.
I think you got a Garley on the Shanghai.
Well, Zero will be lurking for fucking months and
maybe.
shit.
Yeah, Zero is lurking hard. He comes by. He chimes in every now and again. Yes, golden pocket stuff. But will we get there? Will we
Does
get...
every fucking young guy want to be? And I was like, a booby streamer. And you're like, yeah, thanks for calling me a booby streamer.
And you're like, I'm so behind on chat. Or you were behind on the stream, I think, right?
Oh, it's a nice area too, Mitch.
Maybe.
26, 22.
Might be reaching.
785 and 1283 retrace. And you're on top of support. No,
Yeah, I mean,
China.
it just depends if, like, you know, I mean, maybe it's divergence or something on the RSI too, I guess. I don't know. I mean, maybe. Why not? What's up, Meta Cadet? Thanks for the follow on Twitch. What y'all doing on Twitch, man? None of that BS delay. I know, dude. It's so stupid. It's like, why in the world can YouTube just not get... Why can't they change ever? They don't ever change on YouTube. It's just the same crap. They're like, you know what they're changing? They're changing like the UI system for the content creator, and they're making it like 10 times more stupid. And they're abbreviating sub counts. You know, they're really not focusing on like what really matters at all with live streaming. If they could just hire somebody who actually live streams and understands what makes Twitch so powerful of a platform, why it's number one, why YouTube sucks or is subpar as number two. Now that hurt my stomach, dude, chugging that. Ow. Just like, ugh. How about turn Patreon night into a Zoom meeting? You mean...
Hashtag no?
Yesterday for St. Patty's Day, a bunch of us always get together. So there's like 16 of us on a Zoom meeting drinking.
Dude, Future's about to pump, maybe, or not, right? We have no idea.
Like, yeah, you'll get pumps throughout. You have to close. So this has been pretty much consistent selling volume in futures. So
we got accumulation, man.
April contract. I'm not saying accumulate.
I'm kidding. It's like 5 minute. It's like, oh, higher lows, man.
Hey, don't be busting with the 5 minute, bro. I'm sitting here bullshitting, drinking, trading the crack trader time frames, killing it right now.
Dude, hit FYX up, man.
Is that fix?
He can show you the way.
FYX was asking me inverted head and shoulders on the 5 minutes on Boeing, and I'm.
Oh, dude, you can't do patterns on the fucking lower time frames.
Oh yeah, of course, absolutely not. They're just there. It's just there because it's like, hey,
support and resistance. That's all.
That, and it's really just whatever. It's like I'm monitoring it. There's only a certain amount of, candles in a day for futures, so it's like, all right, look, this goes all the way back to Wednesday. It's cool. I do TA on TradingView, and I'll just monitor whatever on Thinkorswim.
The people that are thinking about opening an account, whether or not you're going to fund it or not, definitely open a Thinkorswim account. Go through the whole process, get it, and you have a great paper trading account, but also you can go into your live money part where you don't have any money in there, and you have a thing called on demand. You can roll the ticker back anywhere back to like late 2017 and put it on that trading day, and you can make trades. So obviously you kind of, if you're looking at the chart, you know what's going on. But if you go through and sit there and look at a chart based upon that and then make trades, now you're getting like legitimate data coming in, seeing the pattern develop, seeing the divergence set up, entering the trade, and then you can kind of skip forward, a few days and see how it played out. It's pretty effing cool. Have you played with On Demand, Mitch?
No, I have not.
Yeah.
Be really playing cool on the crack trader time frames. Just really listen to Mitch and play on the big fucking time frames.
Yeah,
don't trade while on crack, please. FYX.
Day trading, that was how you day trade. You day traded very low time frames, and without knowing it, I was doing fibs in my head.
Yeah, well, when we're stuck in these ranges like we've been for the last few hours, I'll always go down to the crack trader for time frames and just play support and resistance. Overhead, underhead, boom. Long, short, long, short, long, short.
5 minute. Like, the lowest I'll go down is an hourly time frame to find support and resistance. And 5
But
minutes.
you can play any time frame. You can play 15, you can play 20, you can play 30, whatever. But you know the high and you know the low when you're fucking just going sideways.
Yeah, but 5 minutes.
You can play it all, man. They all have different things to offer. Like the smaller time frames, I like to watch because of the psychology of it. You can see like the battle front, like on front lines, like going live, and then you can trade on slightly higher time frames while getting like the insight of the live battle going on.
Well, when you're looking for the macro stuff, you go to the big stuff. But like, there is
but the smaller time frames,
money
like,
to be made.
They all have information to offer. You know what I mean? Like, they're all the same entity, just different perspectives. If you can compile the perspectives correctly, then you can play any time frame you want.
Good news. Bitcoin's holding on to like 6,100.
Super risk averse.
There's a certain person that apparently rips off Mitch that, he'll look at higher time frames, 4-hour daily, and then for his entries, he goes down to the 15-minute time frame. I forget what indicators he does, but I'm like, why?
Yeah, why would you
have to make the entry on the 15-minute time frame? I guess he's looking for like.
What channel is this you speak of, or should we not speak of it aloud?
Yeah, I'm not going to say another live stream.
Yeah, let's not give clout to any of these Mitch copycats.
Cloud chasers.
They're not the first, and they won't be the last. That is what we know.
I mean, there's only really 2 games in town on YouTube that even matter, and it's Mitch and Crown.
Does Crown even do anything? Like, I thought he just does those weird dead live streams.
Dead
Dude,
live stream? What's
if you
that?
watch him, he's right more than he's wrong. So I don't know.
Crown's an excellent trader.
Dude, he's got experience, right? He's like in that world. So I mean, dude, anyone in this space that has like experience, that's like good for the space. Like, God, get some more Crowns in here. Get some more me's in this space. They just don't exist. They're just, it's, I don't know.
Kind of like you. He was a market maker on the floor of SIBO and then moved over to Orca. He worked for like the guy that taught me. That was the owner of his firm. Then he, that got all automated. So he started creating crypto and wanted to travel all the time. So great job to do that. He created his YouTube stream because he was lonely. Like, he was bored and like wanted other people to talk about this stuff with.
Yeah, dude. It gets so like
one of the
this.
reasons you wanted to help people with the FOMO, but two, I mean, it's.
Yeah, it was definitely like I want to like help myself too. Yeah, it's like create something and then like, I don't know, it's really started taking off the way I'd always envisioned it. Like, it feels like, yeah, we've had so much of it in crypto, but it's like, dude, I didn't start in crypto. I didn't learn how to do any of this stuff in crypto. And so it's like now I feel like we finally gotten to a point like, because it's always like, I don't know, when crypto in the past was like kind of fading and we were going through periods, 3-month periods in volatile and all that, chat died. And it's like, that's why I do the dead chat all the time as a meme. But like with this, now things have shifted because the stock market's volatility, and it's like everyone, it's like stock market technical analysis. It's not crypto. It's like both. It's like they're married now. They're the same thing. And it's like we had this breakthrough.
I love that the volatility brought people into the market. So I do.
Oh yeah, man.
Some of these younger guys, especially a certain really young one. I mean, you build up enough capital and have enough cash and go into very good companies.
Dude kills me. I unsubscribed a long time ago.
What's that?
Lunar phases. Codage. You know what I'm talking about.
No.
Oh, I'm being maybe a bit too cryptic.
Well, if you have to be that cryptic, then it's probably not worth talking about on a live stream.
Yeah, I'm a boomer, so I don't know like the new terms.
Oh, boomer's getting wrecked right now, bro.
Oh,
not Mr. Grau, bruh. Probst is wrecking other boomers.
No,
it's like, how dare you represent my generation in such a pathetic way? You're getting wrecked.
Read an article from Vanguard, which probably is the largest still mutual fund holder. Now all they do is just put you in ETFs. But those things, they didn't rebalance. Unless someone went in and hopped in the computer. Like with my 401k, I can hop in once every 30 days and rebalance. Or you can turn on auto rebalancing. So some people did have that, but most of the boomers haven't touched it since basically back maybe 10 years ago. You could put it in growth, stable, or value fund. Those are your 3 choices. Now you have a ton of different options, but they're generally set up. They were set up 39% or 29% risk to equities, like 60% in bonds, and then 10% in other cash. But the bonds went up so extremely high that it like far outweighed their ownership of equities. So when the market dumped, they were only exposed to like 15-16% equities. Vanguard's what they control, and that's it's a good number. It's over 10 trillion.
Is there like
Logan, were you like, oh sorry, go ahead.
No, it's mine's. My question's not
What's up,
important.
Tim?
My statement is not important either. I was just gonna ask Logan, were you really just claiming boomer status, bro?
That's more important,
No, I was
for sure.
saying Jeff was the boomer that's not getting wrecked and wrecking the other boomers.
Jeff's not a boomer.
40.
Yeah, that's not a boomer, dude.
That's Gen X.
Ray Dalio.
Well, shit, if you're a boomer,
I don't even know.
got you
I don't,
by
and I don't
4
even
years,
care what
Dude,
they call
I'm
these
Gen
generations to.
You're Gen
It's
X.
only putting people in boxes.
Yeah, boomers. It's a lifestyle, man. Like you guys aren't watching Wheel of Fortune
right.
or Jeopardy like after dinner, dude. You don't know. Stay in your lane, man.
That's true,
Stay
man.
in your
Sorry.
super
Be
lane.
busting on my
Sorry,
Wheel
man.
of Fortune now.
My apologies.
Okay, Gen X.
Who was it? It was a very famous hedge fund manager, Bill Ackman. Did you see him on CNBC this morning, Mitch? Or
Yeah, I thought it was yesterday or something. The long talk. Oh,
yeah, just about like how many deaths. he
bad it's
expects and all
gonna
this
be. It's
stuff.
gonna be terrible. Like it's like kind of a super scary interview or whatever. Yeah.
They took several positions right after.
What, Bill Ackman?
Yeah. Like there was a sell off after he was pre-market, and we were already.
That was this morning?
I think it was.
I thought it was I thought it was yesterday. I could have sworn I remember it was yesterday, the day before, and things got real bad. Maybe it was Tuesday, and then Wednesday morning was bad. Yeah, it was like Tuesday, and then Wednesday.
He took long positions off it. Like that's heartless.
Yeah, that's weird.
Flack.
Interesting.
It's like Ray Dalio he managed part of my retirement. And he's like has a thing called the rainy day fund, and it got like absolutely obliterated. Like they didn't make money in 2019 because they were afraid of a crash and all this stuff. But
CMK, what he said?
Dude, can you expand on that? What did you just say?
He was buying hotel stocks. Ray Dalio's Bridgewater Associates technically there's bigger hedge funds, but
I was yesterday.
In the traditional sense of the world. Yeah.
But they fudded the market and then like went long on it, or what? What are you saying?
That's what's being claimed. Yeah, he went on CNBC and just presented this huge gloom and doom picture, and through shell companies, shell funds that weren't actually associated with his thing, that he didn't think people would be able to find out, he put to work a lot of money after we opened up. Circuit breaker triggered. I think it was the day that we traded down, came back up, and then traded back down, and then triggered the circuit breaker. So I think it was Wednesday. Yeah. So I mean, that's someone came on he's the Middle Eastern guy that's the CEO of Uber, I believe. He was talking about like how some of these hedge fund managers need to go to jail for some of the crap they're pulling. But
hey, real quick about
Hot kettle black.
So we talked about it before the stream, and I don't know, most people, it's the internet, so it's like the question of the stay-at-home order, issued by the California governor. So like, there are people in here that are under this now. I mean, like, what does that mean?
Yep.
Like, what changed?
Dude,
what was it like, and what is it?
At all.
It's a shelter-in-place recommendation.
I think it was just made to like contain Los Angeles because
so it's
they
not
have no
an
natural
order.
resources. They have no natural water, and the population density is super high. But the rest of like California, like nothing's changed. Like restaurants are still open, bars. Not all the bars, but a lot of bars are still open. Delivery services are open.
Bars are open?
But
yeah, the only thing that's really
they have to like
changed is massive traffic in the AM.
Rule of whatever their maximum occupancy, it's like you have to do 1/4 of that. At least the ones like that are up in Northern California now. And you can't allow in groups of like more than, I don't know, it's like 5 people or something like that. So
Yeah,
basically,
from
they could
my
have like
understanding-
15 customers or something, but it's still open.
Bartholomew's
Yeah,
in
it doesn't
California.
matter.
No.
If
Not
you
in
go to a
California,
dollar
everything's
store around
closed.
here, it's still full.
Where are you guys?
FLX, they're gonna get you, dude. They're gonna come abduct you when that lockdown happens. Okay, it's gonna be hilarious.
California, everything is pretty much closed except for grocery stores, takeout.
All California, nearly 40 million people have been ordered to stay at home except for when it's absolutely necessary for them to leave until further notice. Governor Gavin Newsom announced the order. They issued a similar mandate, a shelter-in-place order to San Francisco. I'm trying to see the legality of state order takes immediate.
The legality, I don't think they have a ton of like legal,
Give a deadline.
but they're gonna look at business licensing and
God.
I'm just
Gavin-
messing around with
Gavin
FYX.
Newsom- Gavin Newsom talked about martial law.
Yeah, he said.
Yeah, but while they were reporting it on CNN, the guy in the field in San Francisco was on this like jogging path, and there were like 50, 100 people behind him, no one wearing masks, just walking their dogs, like carrying on like a normal day.
Yeah, California's not really doing any of
It's
this
the
stuff.
big population hubs that they're worried about, especially ones that like are built in desert regions like Central, South California, you know, because a lot of their resources have to be shipped in. So if the supply chain gets messed up and they have this giant population of people packed in there, what are people going to do if they can't get food and water, right? They're going to go
Okay, the
crazy.
county, the state has done it. The county, Los Angeles ordered that it is.
Los Angeles did it before
It
LA
is-
or California did.
It is criminally. It's a violation. It's be punished as a misdemeanor. So it's a. I don't know if it's a violation of a court order. I don't know what section would fall on. I'm waiting to hear back from cops. Let's see.
But we're pumping, man. We're pumping on the futures, dudes.
You guys see the crazy crowds for spring break? All the people getting together and not giving a f about.
Yeah, were you talking about that earlier today in the Discord?
I wasn't. I just brought it on that.
Someone was. It was like on Fox Business. I didn't see it, but that's the word on the street. It's no one gives an F. And then there was like someone wrote about it. Like it was on my news feed talking about people don't care. It's no big deal to us, man. You know, like that was. I don't know,
We're
man.
gonna find out tomorrow if Zero's got COVID-19 because on Sunday I went to goddamn Disney World, watched all these little 5-year-olds lick the handrails.
Dude, that is serious, man. Like going
Dude,
to
it ain't
anywhere
no
like
joke.
that.
We've been like super like just like housebound right now. All I've been doing is looking at my freaking battle station and trading all day, every.
Well, there was a thought that licked a toilet seat for that.
Toilet seat?
However,
Yeah.
when
was
you
great.
can safely go to Disney and go to Animal Kingdom and ride the Avatar ride, you will never be disappointed.
Interesting. Yeah, I haven't gone. I need to. I don't know, man. Like that's like you don't normally just
Dude,
go to Disney
so
World.
You feel the little thing like you straddle it like a motorcycle, and the freaking dragon, you can feel it like breathing in between your legs, and it like electrifies you, like you're communicating with it. It's some next level like shit. I may or may
This
not
sounds
have
like
been
next
on
level stuff,
mushrooms.
alright.
What are we talking
Like
about
you-
now? This is a technical
Like-
analysis
I don't
stream.
know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they
this is
give
something
you
like
LSD before you start. And it's like, what? Dragons between your legs, you feel electric shocks, or what? We talking about Disneyland?
Have you not
This is
seen-
like went from
Dude, have you not
1
seen
to 100
Avatar?
real fast. I haven't seen it. So
Okay, so the dragon you ride in Avatar is called a banshee. For all intents and purposes, you just call it a dragon. But the ride will blow your effing mind, bro.
I still
the
don't understand
mushrooms
why you're
were
talking
wearing
about,
off.
dude.
Because it was pretty
Mushrooms
epic.
ride,
I'm probably gonna
electric
die of
pulses,
COVID-19 is what's really gonna happen. Like tomorrow, like it'll
Wherever
be
you
5
were,
days
it
tomorrow.
sounds fun.
My favorite Disneyland ride is always Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, but that's probably something to do with my.
Of course it would be.
We're pumping, man. Dude, it's ridiculous.
Time frames.
Yeah, man. Bitcoin price action's pretty high. I mean, stay above 6,100, man. Like, this is decent price action. Like, Bitcoin could definitely. I mean, that's like, hey, what? I mean, dude. Of course, it never even plays out. It never happens. Anytime we're gonna jinx it here. Could we be getting ourselves rising 3 methods? 5 candlestick pattern
right now.
is jinxed, dude. It's already been jinxed because we talked about it. It'll never happen if we say.
All right, closing my position. Thank you so much, Mitch.
Dude, 3 hours 48 minutes for it to sit there like this. No, and then after that engulf to make a higher high than all the previous candles. That's not happening, dude. Like, yeah, right. It would be amazing. But dude, rising 3 methods are so freaking rare. You know that's the name of my LLC, right? My company. Rising 3 methods, dude.
That's an awesome name.
I remember.
Oh yeah, Dad. We doing things. Don't sue the Dow Jones probst. Don't sue him, man. He's a good guy. The Down Jones, man. That Down Jones guy. Dude, we got pumpins. We got the future going, man. FYX right now is literally just, I don't know, he's just jumping on his bed. I can just imagine FYX jumping on his bed. Just screaming at top of his lungs.
Jumping on his bed that's like, it's one of those car beds from like Grandma's Boy. He's like, yes.
He's hitting everyone up in the CB radio.
I'm sitting there holding his hand. Josh, I'm saying, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. You're like, here we go. Breaking low sport. Here we go. Here we go. Took a while, and then eventually dumped it. He's like, I'm out. I'm taking a loss. Just go roll to Friday. You'll be fine. All you had to do was get a close above 140. And he made max profit, and he would have got it today.
Dude, like, FYX reminds me of like MLG.
FYX, how do you short yourself? Yeah, I agree. We'll take your trades, FYX. I'll book them.
No, MLG is just.
The market could be bottoming here with, like, I mean, do you think that U.S. like full out lockdown has been priced into the market?
Dude, I don't think so. Nor has, like, you know, because these things are insane measures that may never happen, right? So if it like never happens, then how could they price it in? Until it's got to be a reactionary thing. Like, because I think all this other bad news is being priced in, but not these crazy things like if we do a full out federal lockdown or something, and then you ground flights if that's the case.
California and New York, I mean, that's a large portion of the country already, but
sure.
Like,
yeah, I'd rather move through San Francisco, LA, and New York and get them out of the way and through, which are probably the biggest financial areas in the country, and let them get back to business as it kind of filters the rest of the country. They need to start.
So I just talked to my buddy.
This is UFYX.
I just talked to my buddy who's a plant manager in Shanghai, China, for a manufacturing facility, and he said that
tomorrow, FYX, you're close out within the first hour and a half tomorrow when people dump SPY because ex-dividend started, snapshots been taking place. You're gonna get. You realize what have most people been doing this entire quarter? They've been shorting. What do they have to do tomorrow to get out of their shorts?
Cover it with buys.
Can you just put a giant banner on your stream that says this is not financial advice?
I don't need to. I don't need to because I have a disclaimer in my description. So we're good.
Okay. So I'm talking to a LA cop right now.
Hey, this is police officer Big Brain Gumbo. Hey, breaker, come in.
Oh my god.
We got martial law coming in.
And as a briefing, we aren't going to enforce it. But if a citizen complains, we've been told to take pictures of the business with customers inside it and take an incident report. That's about businesses being open because I have a store in Torrance. So that's a Torrance cop.
So what's gonna? Oh, dude, Tendy's coming. FYX getting the Tendies, man. Futures pumping. 2381.
He's all in puts tomorrow. He said.
No, he's long right now, and he said he's gonna go puts at open or something.
I never know what position FYX is in.
I don't know. I never have. I just don't do like positions where I'm open one night. I don't like. Yeah. Dude, we're pumping hard, man. Let's go.
FYX is positioned the opposite way, or no? If it started dumping and he had been long, then all of a sudden he was short. Then if it was dumping and started pumping, I flipped long. Tendies. Yeah.
All the tendies, all the children screaming from Major League Gaming montage parodies.
In your pants on Wednesday.
Was he pee pee poo poo? His alternate personality?
Yeah, like I get 900. Like just.
Oh yeah, I know. Does he have like how many personalities does he have? It's always a different name.
No, he's actually. I got on voice chat with him. He's actually. I was like talking to him.
What's up,
know what you'd imagine his would be? Yeah, not like totally respectful.
Because he's probably using like a voice changer, dude.
Yeah.
Whoa, dude! FYX, look at that candle, man! It's huge, huge candle.
Where's your auto tunes, man? We all miss it, and you stopped at that one scrub talked ST.
It's like a special thing.
You should have kept it going, man. Now he won because he stopped.
Don't get defeated by the haters. You gotta.
Yeah, he won because he stopped, man.
Bro,
we got to bring it back.
You gotta do it
for special occasions.
Dude, what about the montage parody of the Teletubbies, dude? Dude, this is like FYX, man. I'm sorry. Oh my god, look at this, dude. Let's go. All right, so Future's gonna limit up tonight. By the looks of it, sorry, had to just do some more FYX Zoomer stuff. Super duper Zoomer stuff.
For everyone short, there's no circuit breaker to the upside. Get wrecked.
Yeah, dude.
I thought there was a limit up. Isn't there 5%?
But the thing is, like,
on futures, there's no circuit breaker on moves up.
Yeah, but the thing is, really, with it, like, if it doesn't, if it gaps up slightly, Gartley's gap theory, you're gonna fill the gap at open or something, like, so it's really not that big a deal, but you're not even above 20K yet, so.
You have all this order flow coming in from online that's going through different, brokerage houses, and then gets filtered in, and then usually ends up at different bigger banks, and then they hedge off those positions. So it's like the first 45 minutes is like the market kind of handling its business, and then it has a little bit of action, and then they go to lunch for about 3-4 hours, and then that's some day traders trade, and then
they pump it,
get the F out the way. So I think, yeah, the dump it right at the end, I think that was I think that's a bullish sign. I think that there's some pretty big option trades going on. Basically, right at the end, if you're buying like a 240 call and price comes down and gets into your area, all of a sudden you exercise your option.
Mm-hmm.
Now you get to buy shares at 240, and then the market turns around and pumps the next day. You have shares for the dividend date, and you got them at, a good price. And they were doing it both sides, so they have they're covered to be able to sell when it dumps. So
the snapshots tomorrow for dividends on the SPY.
Yeah, as soon as the market opens, you have the snapshot. It's not called a snapshot, but ex-dividend. But yeah, it's a snapshot.
Oh yeah, we're pumping, dude. Tendies for everyone.
Generally on a chart, if you have Mitch and I were talking about it for a little. I ended up turning it off, but like take into account dividends. It changes like long-term charts, but like at the end of the day, if you have taken into account dividends, like the dividend will be pulled off the price of the chart right at the close. But if you don't have it on, it doesn't really matter.
Pumping.
That's in trading.
Yeah, if they
view?
pull off the close, then why does it matter that you have it on?
Well, the dividend is pulled out of the price of the stock.
My friend was a double entendre.
Pumping.
Hey, pros. I was looking to do that, insurance policy thing that you which we discussed a little bit about the puts.
Yeah.
And they're just so expensive right now. I mean, I bought one.
Do it right now. Yeah, that's like I did it. January 31st was the first set, and then whenever Apple announced.
Mitch, what is this Teletubby business you're flashing in the back?
Dude,
What's
it's
going
like
on, man. You okay, dude?
There's something called
I
like.
haven't seen many chugs hit. Are you feeling good, man?
No, it's like a montage parody. It's like this. It's just this joke thing, and it's like definitely like a younger person thing for you to get, and it's just like people used to make like videos of themselves of their gameplay on, and they'd make it look real good, and they would just insert like stupid like just like oh sound clips and stuff, and then so it took off and became this thing where it's now parodies, and now people make fun of those initial scrubs who actually made those unironically. People just make ironic like montage parodies where it's like, the like imagine, look what's happening. We're pumping on the futures, and so me like doing this, just like moving around, it's like oh my god, and it's like really like scuffed music's coming on, playing like dropping the bass, like we're going up, man. Like so that's kind of what I'm doing. Okay, it's montage parodies. We're about to be at 20K. MLG, yeah.
You trade both. I'm totally gonna call Fixie Wixie from now on.
Fixie Wixie. My God, dude.
What the hell?
Whoa.
That was creepy.
It's just like, we're going up, man. Are the futures? Oh my God. Dude, it's so bad. Dude.
Energy drink.
Dude, it's so bad. I'm sorry about that, Chad, if you're watching. That was super loud and obnoxious, but that's the whole point of montage parodies, dude. Trying to give you a better glimpse of what it is. I got cabin fever. That's it, dude. Limit up, man. Give F-Wax his tendies. Alright. I'm about to get the, I don't know, the responses probably in chat about what the just happened.
Look at that Shrek wick.
Dude, y'all need to review it later when, I don't know, when we're not live, so you can listen to the audio.
Dude, I just went on YouTube and like watched it for like 30 seconds. I was laughing so hard. Oh my God. It's so good. It's so good.
Oh my God! Oh my God! It's so loud. I'm sorry. Holy crap. No, we can make it better.
Sorry.
Dude, it's like, oh man. People hate me, I'm sure, right now. I'm sorry, dude. I've streamed for too long, man. I'm like in the PC now. I am now charged. I am now internet.
Into the void.
Just don't mingle with those sex bots, dude. We're gonna lose you.
I know, dude. I'm not wasted, man. I'm just watching the futures pump like the Jesus, man. Maybe we'll get 20K. We should definitely hit 20K. There's like no one selling. It's awesome. I just wish we could do this on the, open market. That'd be great. Thanks. Maybe tomorrow, dude. Anyway, sorry.
Oh, we're definitely breaking. We broke the record last December 20th. Highest volume.
Sorry, Brian, man. Tell her I apologize. How seldom do I ever play montage parodies on stream. Oh, wait. Oh, it's the first time literally ever. Ah, okay.
So the secret word to be quiet is Flugner.
Flugner? Oh, God. I don't want to say that.
I know, but then it makes us know that you're serious.
Okay. Just because
that you would never, ever say.
Don't worry, man. I don't think anyone wants me getting any drunker tonight. I mean, I'm not drunk. I don't know. I'm in a jittery mood.
Hey, Rim, to put me on podcast tonight.
I mean, 6 and 8 as always, you know, but 10's like spin. Well, there's Mr. Schaffer. He says, "Hey, Rim, to put me on podcast tonight." Hey, Rim. Hey, Rim. Is Rimlock here? No. Yeah, we can pull him down.
Nah, man.
Hello? Y'all are here. Is it Rising Wedge?
You know we're getting more value from the
1G, what's up, dude?
By
Hey, 1G, your mic is muted.
We're what?
0.0025%. We're getting more value from the $25 chug variation than the 33.33.
Are we? Are you? So 6%. So I should lower it. Is that what you're saying, Cabba?
No, it's right about the same.
Not double it, dude. Rookie members.
Imagine someone hitting chug and then it's like, oh, we're good now.
$99.75.
Okay, the wheel is not real. Like the wheel is not right. It's so stupid. It's like I'm about to be done with the wheel. We're gonna have to figure out a new game because it's not. I can't do it. Is rigged. It is rigged. Look. It landed on chug again.
You're already in here. You have permissions. You have to manually unmute yourself, 1G.
FOMO market.
Dude.
If you're in here, 1G, you have permissions.
Normal.
No, chug is not.
In 2.5 months, it was completely normal.
Yeah, but 1 in 10 chance happening twice in a row, like it does. It's been happening like frequently. It's like,
but it's better now, dude. Remember, you used to get like 6 chugs in a row, dude.
No, not on the wheel. This is bad.
It's each time.
It's as bad as it's ever been. It's terrible.
There's a law, like a whatever Newton's law, whatever. Of each time, you have a 10% chance. You can't add them up. I can flip a quarter against you.
Yeah, it's out of an infinite. It's out of infinite cycle of data that you're pulling from. So you can get 1,000 in a row with a 1%, and then the next. Million
it's just chug.
Right?
Bruh.
Yeah, it's just an infinite data set
that
it's pulling from. So the statistics can seem unfair. That's why, like when the iPods first came out, they couldn't have a real shuffle. They had to make an algorithm that made humans think it was shuffled because real shuffle, like real randomness, doesn't seem random to humans' brains.
Tinky Winky said $25. You okay?
Flugner.
Let's do more montage.
Shuffle mode is not actually shuffled.
I just got 2 wheel spin
hey, Mitch,
connects.
How about I chug half my beer with you?
Wait, can't we do that? Can we do I can offload it?
Chug half. That's a gulp.
Chug half. That'd be good. My stomach
I'm not watching the stream.
Hurting.
Did you dodge that, Mitch?
Dodge what?
It's just tug.
It's just tug? Where?
It's just chug.
It's just chug connect, dude. I didn't dodge it. No, we're about to do the spins for it. But right after that was Tinky Winky. Someone tipped his Tinky Winky at 25. So it's like...
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, it was the 1-up. It was the definite 1-up. I've been talking like it was back-to-back. So...
I'm not watching the stream because it's too confusing.
Yeah, I know. It can be. But dude, look, man. Look at the futures chart and look at... Dude, it's just like... It's pumping, man. And you've just got... It's just insane, man. Okay, I don't know. It's great.
Spin it up.
Alright, yeah, we'll spin connect. Already, Samoa chug anyway. It's like, this is broken. It's not supposed to be like that.
Dude, why does the Logan wrecked never get hit?
I'm about to turn my stuff down to 5%. I'm about to be 5.
Chug with you, my brother.
Yeah, dude, my stomach like hurting.
Then.
Like it's just liquid, that much liquid hitting my stomach over and over and over. It just like There's another spin. Oh my
I
god.
put a picture of you in.
Yeah, that can't be.
One more time for good Mauser Mitch.
I put a picture of you, Mitch, in the Patreon chat right now.
Social. All right, hold on. Let me check it out. Spinner drinks. Get wrecked. Oh my god, dude. See, like I'm not doing it. The game. I'm done with this game. I'm done with it. I'm done with the game. Like now the chug debt's 5. You see what I'm saying? It's like not is not a 1 in 10 chance. It's not like at all. Clearly, obviously.
It's out of an unlimited data set, dude.
It's stupid. So it's like
there's no chugs.
There's no
time.
No, you can't actually. We've done sample sizing of it. It always comes back, dude. It's like I'm gonna have to lower it. I'm gonna have to make it.
Destiny, dude.
You should just get your manual wheel then. Like in person.
Yeah, make a wheel.
Oh my god,
dude. You spin it in the background.
Reverend of the
you just put it up on a fucking easel. Sorry.
FYX's mentor just tipped 25. Look, you see? It just did chug again. No way. You see, I'm done with this. Like it's like every
break out the easel. Break out the easel.
Jesus.
All right.
Broken a freaking
Like
game,
you
dude.
know what I mean?
Definitely done with the game.
You could have each spin assigned to a number, and you could just roll a dice and show it to the camera. And then it's randomness.
Yeah, you can roll a dice.
as well.
That works.
There's like less laborious ways of doing it.
Oh, it almost landed again. It almost did a back-to-back-to-back, a three-peat. No, I mean, like, you'll see how close it was, too. Broken and not real.
The wheels.
Okay,
like
I've just
sadistic.
tuned in a little bit. You're
It's like I want to chug, and it's not hitting me.
bro.
You don't want to chug, and it hits you. So maybe the wheel just
isn't life doing.
Isn't life doing...
That's Skyward.
What happened? Isn't life doing what? What is Balkan King in general, Jet?
Life doing you a favor.
Life doing me a favor? Absolutely not, dude. It hurts. I hate chugging, man. I mean, like, it's not like I hate it. It's just like when I get so much debt, it's like, it's dreadful. It's not fun then. It's fun when it's like, I have to chug because the V-chain doing things goes off. Like, that's cool, but the wheel is just too frequent. It's like, man, it hurts. It's like liquid just in your stomach over and over and over. And it's like, oh, you do that twice, 3 times, man. It's like, I don't know, man. It's unnatural.
More variation.
So what is your official chug debt right now?
It's like 6 or something, but it's like, whatever, man. Just might as well throw it in with the Federal Reserve pumping, injecting money.
Patrons.
Yeah, I'm going to pass it off to Logan. You want to take one of mine?
Print,
Oh my god, FY.
Yeah, I'll take one of yours.
Flugner.
Give 3 to FYX.
Hey, Mitch, I'll take
Brady's
one of yours.
fault we
That's
sucked
cool.
for a decade.
Oh, we're about to see if I
Excuse
get it
me,
again.
You know what? Everyone's got one.
Maybe if you just get 2 in a row, don't count it because that's just
broken.
Like, overwhelming.
No, if you pay $25.
Yeah, there's that
Well,
side of it.
Yeah, well, the thing is, like, a $25 contribution is, you know, like, okay.
You're
and
more
we-
expensive than a hot girl at the bar, dude. People are buying $10 drinks for.
Holy crap, I've never thought about it like that, man.
And you're not even a social setting. It's like they're buying drinks for some hot chick at a bar that they'll never ever meet.
What? No, wait. I mean, I'm not a
And
hot
teachers
girl,
lessons.
but you might meet me
Like
one
houses.
day. You might meet me one day, right? Oh my god, dude. FYX
Is that an
mentor.
invitation?
Tough job.
Where has chat gone in the last few minutes?
Dude, it's
We're
out of
talking
here,
about
man.
metaphors, Takeshi. Hang with us, bro.
How many concurrent viewers are there now, Mitch?
Like 4. Yeah, well,
See, Mitch, not only are people buying you $25 drinks, but there's also 404 people watch
what's your
other
name
people
right
buy you
now?
drinks, dude.
so broken.
What's
I
your
don't
name
even.
so I can turn your volume down. Okay.
You talking about Scoured?
I thought we couldn't change our names as mod.
What are you talking about? Changing people's names?
Like you couldn't change your name as a.
You can change it on Discord.
Yeah, dude. You can change your name
You're
not
so
legally.
quiet. I
I
can
know
barely
you-
hear them.
Hold on. That's a Scoured.
I don't think you.
Skyward. You
I have
stop
him at-
echoing, but you
Dude,
get quiet.
I have him
Your
at
name on Discord.
I already had him at plus 141%
As
volume.
a mod, there's an issue with that.
Dude, FYX, every time we go green on the future, it's just like
Yo, when FYX finally turns 21 in like 7 years, we got to throw him a huge party, dude.
Dude, it's gonna be hilarious, man. We're gonna fly him out to Vegas. It'll be glorious.
Gonna throw us a party with all those option calls.
All those tendies, yeah, dude. He's gonna owe us, man. Look at this, dude. Oh, hold on. I gotta go back to the other one. Future's ribbon, man.
I know you're in debt up to your eyeballs. in
No, I
chugs,
took one of the
but
debt chugs
If
from
you
you.
listen really carefully, I'll do this one with you.
I'll take one too if you want.
You have to post videos.
Yeah, video
Yeah,
evidence.
come on, let's just like let's come together.
Wow. Mitch, are we allowed?
We gotta leave Mitch with at least two. We can't like clear them all.
Fixes mentor.
drink troll.
Tough
Bruh.
job.
Wait, what about-
$5. I just felt like making you jug.
Wait. Hold on. What are we talking about? Repo market.
Mitch's debt repo market, where the patrons could take chugs, was
Oh.
only invented for Seth.
For Seth. Yeah. Well, no. But these chugs
Yeah, but
were not
five-
triggered by
yeah.
yours, right? If I get a chug from yours, from the V-Chain doing things, okay. Right? But no, that you have not triggered. You yourself, have you triggered a chug this eve?
Have I on the wheel spin? Have I? Or is there no wheel spin with me?
There hasn't been a... I don't think
Well-
yours were the wheel spins, the chugs, right? Because you just started
Bad
bombarding me.
news, Mitch. That second one you spun was a chug, and that might have been mine.
20K chat on futures pumping.
The Emperor had a
We green.
pump in Tesla today, and he's hearing this news. He's not going to be happy.
Who did what? Drink troll?
The Emperor.
Tesla pumped like 20%.
Yeah, but then it dumped. It dumped after hours. Yeah, it dumped. It's down. Yeah, it was like down like
Yeah, Jeff, didn't you get our text
8%.
messages?
Yeah, we were
Just had a
texting it.
joint.
After hours trading is.
You think it has to do with them?
Is that another thing, Wedge?
Yeah, man.
Last
Hey,
time.
you want
My drink.
the 1G Fed print a lot of chug to erase
Yes,
your debt?
chug for us.
Yeah,
1G. Like, we
dude.
need a video. We need a
Help me,
video.
man.
Dude, if people don't know,
This is so
1G
broken,
is the
man.
Fastest. He's the fastest beer chugger. I've
He
ever
is. He is.
Like less than
Alright.
a second.
Give me 5 minutes. I'm gonna post on Discord.
Give me 5 minutes.
He must
For
prepare
video
his
production
stomach. It's
purposes.
he's stretching his stomach, dude. It's like
Yeah.
work, you know. You're like,
I must be cold the beer.
oh yeah, exactly. You had to warm it up, dude. Screw drinking ice cold beer for a chug. That's stupid, dude. It's like,
Guys, the Vegas trip won't be until November 20. Yeah, because fake IDs don't exist.
Hey, Mitch, check Patreon chat. They have a link to a physical wheel that you could spin. That's not like a digital.
a physical wheel. Who spins the wheel? Is it a robot?
It would be you, man.
No, you buy it on Amazon,
Yeah,
bro.
dude.
Oh well, non-essentials. I
People are
can't. I
buying
can't
all
order
kinds
it.
of shit, like these days, dude.
Yeah,
The
but,
coronavirus,
but
too, like,
they
I
stopped
need toilet paper and a
non-essential
spinning
orders.
wheel. Not by me.
Still order it.
Come on, man. I just ordered wheel spacers for my fucking Dodge Charger. That's non-essential.
They're just not restocking
All right.
other. If it's just basically if it runs out of stock, they're not going to be allowing them to restock it.
I don't know, but Mitch also doesn't get like alcohol deliveries and stuff. So I
Dipsy
think
Lala,
there's
Tinky
different delivery
Winky said
dynamics there.
$25.
Bitcoin about to moon, man.
Oh,
Maybe.
Drinky drunky spin now. Yeah.
Dipsy La La Tinky Winky. What the?
Bruh. Dude, what?
That happened. Thank you for the 25.
Yeah.
Yes,
Dude, I
yes.
saw that coming. I went long on Bitcoin at 61.33.
Yeah, I mean, like, you can't win them all. And it was just really my just reluctance. Like, I'm just kind of in risk-averse mode right now. I'm risk off. I'm, like, just waiting for the market to stabilize some. It looked okay. It looked like, yeah, high or low. I mean, we thought we'd go up. The bullish engulfing candle with the divergence was great, and you rallied, but I just didn't know if we had the steam, and I didn't know if the market was going to crash more, the macro. Like, Yeah, and you rallied and you got up to those levels. It wasn't like I was saying we're going down next. It was just like, yeah, you could continue going sideways or up, right? Because we're resetting all the oscillators on the daily.
There's nothing out of the ordinary for Bitcoin. Like,
oh, dude,
yeah,
it doesn't mean it could go up like, way more or go down way more.
About to be
shorted and longed and shorted and longed and shorted since your day stream.
Squatty potty, Tinky Winkies. Oh my God! Hold on, let me get another beer. And dude, it's like 12:40 a.m. Eastern. The market opens. Angry troll. What the? Not the real angry troll though.
Angry troll tip $25.
Can't be.
So you are changing the rules willy-nilly.
All right,
these
Mitch,
days?
I'm gonna do you a solid. I'm
There will
gonna
be
absolve you from your chug debt to me.
Oh yeah.
You are absolved of one chug debt.
We need wheels, or we need videos. Everyone who's partaking in this. My God. All right. Thank God. My stomach almost dropped, but then it's like, all right, I'm okay. Anytime it says troll, man, you just don't know until it pops up, and you're like,
it's like the U.S. just builds up all this debt, and it's like
this is like economics, dude. Economics.
Take on this $330 trillion debt. You guys can
Sure, man.
Money, so, doesn't matter.
When's the chug repo market?
Wait.
Spinning.
Mitch is running it right
I
now.
repoed my chug. Come on, you guys. Just give him your $25.
Jesus, dude, this is getting rough. Hold on, this escalated quickly, man. This is just like the futures market, right? Futures market, beginning of the stream was like, meh, okay, we're just hanging out, man. We're doing okay, and now it's just like pumping, and now it's like, oh my God.
Yeah, but the markets are just a reflection of our psychology. So
yeah,
it makes sense that our psychology in the social setting reflects what the markets do.
It's true. Also, moon cycles. Our psychology connect. He meant okay.
Generally the opposite. When it's the most bullish and joyful, dumpage time, and the most fear and scared time is bumpage time. They prey on your emotion.
Hold on, I'm gonna pee. I'll be right back. Sorry.
Pee pee poo poo.
Blasphemy.
Futures pump is OP, man.
There's no.
So how many people are relieving Mitch's chug debt?
There's liquidity.
We can't do it all, so we gotta like maybe 3 of the 5.
Well, it's just 0 is gonna relieve him of 1.
I'll chug a whole can of carbonated water.
1G's chugging 1. So I guess.
Wonder if all the
Jeff will take the 3rd.
I'm gonna try.
The banks are like, hey, Bill.
Oh, Skyward's gonna do
We're
the
gonna
3rd.
need you to go on to CNBC and live.
Skyward, man.
Just to create max fear. We need
Dude, very few have seen a Skyward chug. Luckily in Austin, I was able to witness it. It's more rare than the bats coming out the bridge and
the
pooping on
Skyward
it.
chug sound like this.
Except a little more
Years.
echoes.
Oh, there's the attendees in general.
Oh my God, chat's talking about make Mitch drink. Dude, chat does not love Mitch. Come on, John Hill.
I don't know. Buying drinks
Take
for
it
someone
back.
is a sign of affection in many cultures, dude.
Let's get some FGGYDs for tomorrow.
Oh, I have those. Don't worry about that.
Blue Beast talking about Chug Repo. What the F?
Option
Well, don't-
for dummies. I'm interested to read this. I want to see
If
if
there's no
actually-
chug repo, then the stream might end soon. So if you want the stream to continue, then the chug repos have to come into effect.
Okay.
Oh, Bitcoin pumping on the 5-minute crack trader chart.
Someone say 5 minutes?
Dude, that's what I do when it's flagging sideways.
I only trade off the 5 minute.
That's what's up. Dude, I'm killing the 5 minutes today, dude. I probably made $2,000.
Hello? Martial law on Bitcoin? Is that the word? Martial law on tendies? Oh, FYX is in the chat, man. It's FYX, man.
Chat does not love you, Mitch. They want you to be destroyed.
Wait, we're doing the repo. Liquidity pump.
The limit was three.
they
The
are
limit was 3
anti-repo
chugs
market.
repoed.
Read
so
the
you
chat.
still have to do 2. You still have to do 2, Mitch.
Dude, that would clear all my debt. Dude, I've already done one.
News.
No, we can't clear all your debt, man. We're not going to like negative interest chugs.
FYX, did you read the first big post on that certain Reddit site?
Oh, Bitcoin pumping.
Option Greeks for dummies. That's
No.
when you go down to Vega. That's what I keep talking about. You guys are buying.
That takes
calls
too
and
much
puts.
reading.
When you guys,
I'd rather press button make tendies.
buying these calls and puts. So when this it says when this S stabilizes,
FYX changed
will get destroyed by
his
Vega.
name to Jeff's
Vega's
Apprentice.
gonna dump.
Oh my god.
And so you're buying hurricane insurance in the middle of a hurricane. Then the hurricane passes, and you're still holding this hurricane insurance policy.
But I want
It's
tendies.
going to be worth a lot less.
Tendies.
You're paying absolute maximum premium for tendies because market makers look at the spreads. They're like,
Let's just short the house.
Yeah, dude.
Short
All in
shares.
short.
I want my
Can't
chicken
short on Robinhood.
You actually made a smart play, and then I can't.
If I'm not seeing tendies right away, I'm exiting, bro.
It's a good trading strategy.
God, what a zoomer. What a zoomer. I need my tendies today, Mom. No.
How do you know all
how's
these
how's that
terms?
strategy worked for you so far?
Tendies.
No.
Tendies.
Yeah, he's only been able to afford to
Unlimited.
buy tendies. No filet mignons for this young man.
FYX is not of age to eat tendies yet, alright?
I had tendies for dinner last night. Actually. It's pretty good.
Illegally.
Food?
Dude, I don't know what to do, man. Wait, no one's posted a video yet, have they? Of the...
No,
You know,
it was
chugging it?
1G, Skyward, and
Why is it raining?
one more person.
Mine should.
'Cause-
Stock market.
Yeah, don't worry, man. Have faith.
We're still down tremendous amounts of value. We're still crashed. Like, nothing's taking that away. We're still storming, dude. And Bitcoin still crashed. And even though it's up to 6,200, it was at 7,800, 10,500, whatever, you know. We still storming, dude. But,
All inputs, man.
yeah, well, a little late now for the all inputs.
And it can literally drop 1% a day for the next 30 days. And if you have like a 3-month-long put, you're going to lose money for what you're paying right now.
Correct.
You're paying ridiculous sums.
Just sell calls.
You sold puts. You did the right play. Calls people aren't paying as much for. Everyone
will
wants
be.
to buy puts. So, sell weight. I've been selling 190 puts left and right.
Oh my god, do y'all see someone's name in chat? It's Mitch's airport fruit flies. Oh my god. Do y'all remember that?
What is...
Oh my god, dude. Remember I was like, I didn't...
win your beer.
Yeah, it went my beer, and I'm like, are you even kidding me, dude? Disgusting.
Best name in chat to show up.
That is one of the best names, dude. Mitch's airport fruit flies, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it. I think he's
Deep memes. I mean, that's deep level Mitch Raid TA history. That was like the first IRL
Dude,
live
the
stream
memes
I
dive
did
too deep here sometimes.
with
we're talking
my
about
new
memes
phone.
on the like 20th level and layer of memes, but no one even realizes, man. They've gone too
Alright.
deep.
One chug left. Chug eliminated.
Where is it?
One chug down. You got to post it on community IRL.
Community IRL.
Yes, sir.
Mitch, was that the stream that got taken down because of the
Oh,
background
1G just
music at the
posted.
bar?
1G just posted.
I can't remember. I don't think so.
When,
Another chug.
he was heading
online.
out to Vegas.
One person at a time.
I do remember the.
I don't even know what we're talking about, dude. Oh, we got
the
Skywards.
guy that talks
Yeah,
all the-
Skywards Chug in IRL. 1G
Okay.
is somewhere. I just.
Mitch, do you see my new name? Or it's not.
Oh, Vitalik, my Buterin.
Yeah.
That's an old.
No, it's Vitalik. Yeah, Vitalik, my Buterin.
Vitalik, my Buterin is back. And the funny part is, I have my picture is Bearish Whale Dealer with the Halloween pumpkin on his face.
Dude, we can't mention the whale deers, dude.
It's like it's like Voldemort, dude.
Last time I had the
You gotta be
picture.
careful.
Sorry to
I'm
interrupt.
doing.
What's up, 1G man?
Dude, I just like your incredibly long Russian name
deal
that's
up
like so hard to
on
tag.
the community.
Community RL. All right, chat. Oh wow. All right. We bearding. All right.
Oh wow.
It's got the shirt too. I love it, man.
Let's print out
2,
of that.
3. That's literally like maybe 3 seconds. Maybe. Jesus, that's good.
Yeah, he's a champ, dude.
Exceptional.
1G Chug champ.
So we have a beer fest team, man. All right, 1G and me, Logan, you in, pros, everyone
Hell
be on
yeah,
the team,
dude.
man.
Pros will be our bodyguards for the sake of his health.
Yeah, true that.
But, but
All right,
wait,
hype man.
Mitch,
What happened?
don't.
Oh, 1G,
don't
you got
post
the shirt on.
video.
Hell yeah.
Don't post
Oh.
the video. There's
Too late, dude. It's on the internet.
There's what?
Look the video longer, man.
Hold on,
There's
sorry.
not one, but
One?
2 then.
On
What?
2. Oh my God, it's like 2. No. Let me play it again. Oh, I forgot to. Hold on. Look at this. 1, 2. That's 2 seconds, dude. 2
The second is
seconds.
faster, man. The second is faster.
Yeah, it is. That's
Yeah,
ridiculous.
the one you posted that one time in your home gym, that one was less than 1.2 seconds. It was like 1.09 seconds.
Yeah, it's my warm.
The video was so short, I had to put it on loop so I could actually watch it without it just like ending.
Just
Just a
unreal.
warm-up.
Just a warm up. I don't think you can get much faster than 2 seconds, dude.
Dude,
Starts
in
getting
Vegas,
into
1G was
nanoseconds.
one of the few that stayed up with me like while everyone else was passed out, like still drinking, dude. Champion.
Man,
I can't chug a beer. I cannot chug a beer, so I did the best.
you did the best you could. Where'd you do it? Was it Community RL? Where is it?
Community IRL.
I'll see Mr. Schaffer's Snoopy dog. Oh wait, you're above it. My bad, dude. All right, here we go.
Oh, the Medela.
Oh, nice pour, 45-degree angle. Good. Look at that. No head. Perfect.
That's what she said.
Oh yeah. Who said that? Pros.
A million times.
Oh man. Is she still 300 yards away?
Yeah, that's the question.
Yeah,
I took one for the team, guys.
She
That's
she
all.
can't hear us.
No, they're in
Thanks, Skyward, man.
prefabbed house. I mean,
Dude.
it's
Scar, thank you for taking one
families
for me.
in the rented house. Yeah,
Thank
they're
both of y'all.
in that
Skyward, that beer looks refreshing as hell, dude. My god.
set up.
They're
The
what?
little bubbles rising up.
They're getting it set up for like the kids to be able to stay in there, so the kids can actually do something. And if they are carriers, we're trying to get.
Yeah, they're making a cult pretty much.
trying to get
to
test
to
kits
grow
from
a
South
compound.
Korea. They have you can test for antibodies, so you can test kids, and if they show these antibodies, then it means they've already had the virus, gotten rid of it. So you can lower the denominator of amount of people that can possibly get it, and know who to. You don't need to.
Complicated
to
science
sacrifice.
stuff, man.
No, you build up antibodies after anything, and it's just testing for the freaking antibodies.
I do a chocolate milk chug connect.
Of course.
Chocolate milk chug. No,
All-
dude, that
all
adds
chugs.
one.
It doesn't count for me, but you can
chug
certainly
milk,
do it,
It adds one
and we'll
on
play
misses. It's against the terms and conditions and guidelines of the
Tinky Winky approves. Oh my god.
All right.
Oh, Whippy's excited.
No, I'm just playing, bro. You can upload anything you want up to Discord, of course, as long as it's respectful.
Face reveal
to a
connect.
certain extent.
I was gonna do one for you guys, but all I have is seltzer.
That's fine, man. Seltzer can be harder to chug than alcohol sometimes.
I don't know, dude. That one would be rough.
Someone posted their last like minute before Thinkorswim margin called them. They'd already margin called him, but before they shut down his account, and yeah, basically $1 million margin call of just call all in
Post
long
it.
3x along the basically TLT.
They FYX'd it.
That got dumped. Basically.
So what happened? He 3-time leveraged it and got wrecked? And he ended up owing all?
There's an ETF called TMF. Yeah, that's 3x leveraged the TLT. And he had 27,424 shares. Oh no.
Wow. How much are they per share?
3178 UPROs. He got wrecked in. That's got to be some leverage.
It is. It's a leverage short. I looked into it like a year ago.
ProShares Trust, ProShares Ultra Short, so probably 3x S&P 500. So I don't know when the day he got liquidated, but
Can't copy FYX if you're not.
oh
FYX.
no, this is ultra long the S&P 500. That's why. Yeah, he had.
O2 spins connecting Weffy.
Drink. Thanks for the 10. All right, 2 spins.
Did you guys see like how much insider buying was going on? Like it's insane. Or Bill Ackman's cry wolf depression speak.
Oh yeah, we were talking about that earlier.
Tell
took
me
one of
what
your chug death.
Only 3 now, I guess. Y'all saved me from 3.
I think it's uploading to Patreon.
Wait, so if Skyward took 1 for me, and then 1G took 2 for me, is that it? Is that how it works?
I think you should just take one and then just have faith the rest will be handled eventually by someone.
God, dude, this is so effed up, dude. Future's ripping again.
Zero took one for you, but did not record the video.
It'll be chugged eventually by someone. So
Okay.
but just get one out of the way so it's not just like you're sitting back.
Get one out of the way, dude. I'm trying, man. I'm just like, it's like my stomach. It's like, ow. Like last time I just chugged it, it's like, whoa. It's just like so. I mean, I get it, right? It's been, I don't know. It's been a long week, man. Been going like I don't know, nonstop.
Yeah,
I'm
dude,
on my
today,
3rd
like,
live
every
stream
time,
today.
Yeah, every time I picked up my phone today, it was like there's a new notification like Mitch is live again. I'm like, what? I thought it was an error with their notification system. But then I was like, oh no, this guy's just been going for 18 hours straight.
Yeah, really,
Stop
right?
live.
We're screwed.
Stop dumping.
If I'm what? If I'm
No, don't say that.
If you stop going live, we'll stop dumping.
Yeah.
No,
well,
when Mitch
you'll
goes
see tomorrow
somewhere
though
to
when we
be
pump.
social, that's when volatility comes.
I'll be honest with you. I'm expecting probably a little bit more downward action, and we're probably going to see a melt up. We have like $6 trillion of liquidity. It has to go somewhere, and that VIX.
It can't
I'm
until the
seeing
VIX gets down.
Yeah, it looks very, very toppy. Although there's probably going to be a little bit more like a panic type where it's like, this could be it, this could be it. And then next thing
What did you post about Bill Ackman? Just talk a little bit about it, because
all right, so Bill Ackman, he's basically saying like the Hilton is going bankrupt. The Hilton is going back. You know, Trump needs to close the market, give people money.
Everything. How many people die? This is apocalypse.
Exactly.
Yes, okay.
And then,
Well, he basically said that if you shut down hotels for 18 months, they can no longer exist.
Okay. What else? What else did you hear about him?
And then he afterwards he also says, "Oh, I am actually an insider here, and you know, like like he's like scaring the crap out of like those people that are actually watching. Like,
Yeah,
CNBC
by the way.
It's
he also threw
massive.
took huge position off that
Exactly.
down.
Also, Miller, a legendary investor
Not
that
good.
made millions, billions of dollars. He said this is a generational buying opportunity, and I agree with him. So it's just obviously this managed risk, but
You think at this point it's a generational buying opportunity, or it will be once this is all once
No,
that
but you also
reflects?
need like you
He's
need
talking
money
about
to like
catching the
survive
knife.
and handle yourself, right?
Talking about catching the knife all the way.
It's a buying opportunity, maybe if you have enough capital that you could just not
you keep taking losses, keep DCAing.
Like it's always a buying opportunity when someone has enough money and the world's in turmoil, right?
Yeah,
But
because
it's
like
very
they
few people.
A long term.
Like for the average person, it's not a buying opportunity because like you don't know when it's going to end, and you don't know like how worse it's going to get and what random expenses you're going to have. Like who the hell ever
lie,
thought
I
like
pulled a lot of cash
all
from the bank
work
just
would be
in case
closed and people have
there's a
to like
bank
stay at
run.
home, right?
Well,
So it's already gone beyond
He's
what
prepping himself for
people
the
have
bounce
thought.
back up, which he's going to sell.
Yeah, he'll sell the 50% dead cat balance on the weekly when it happens, which, you know, that's kind of a good idea.
It's happening now.
Man,
Yeah.
whatever.
Be interesting.
Because we will get that reflexive rally, and it's like, I don't know when it's going to be. No one does. But, dude, it's a 3250
It's right now, bro.
is a very, very interesting spot, right, on the SPX, looking at it. Because you got the 4-hour divergence like the Jesus, man. Like, it's... You can see it, right?
We wicked down below 26.
You had a piercing line. Dude, look, I mean, like, I know, like, if you wait a second and watch the chart, or, like, you know, like, my screen, when it'll just delayed, you know? But, like, on the channel, I've got...
Wait here and listen.
I guess that's all you can do. You get to sit here and let it happen to you. When it's all over,
The thing is
it's
if you
over.
fib from December 2018, it bounced off the 1272, but I think this can get down like a lot further.
Dude, my like stomach's like ulcer or something. Like I can't put. I'm not like it's not good. If you want me to be able to stream like a machine, like I gotta just be able to like. It's all good and fun, man. It's just like I don't know. I chug a lot, you know, and I'm. It's just water beer. I know that, but it's like.
Sorry,
you know.
you can
If
defer your
everyone else
chugs.
agrees, I'm good with it. If 1G can put down 3 beers in the span of 8 seconds, chug debt is relieved.
So like a 32, chug a 32 ounce.
You got
Jesus.
to chug three pints within 8 seconds. So that includes time of putting down the thing, transferring.
You ever
it.
seen the dog eat a burrito in 2 seconds?
Let me check if I got
No,
3
I've
beer
never
left.
gone down that rabbit hole.
No dog
I'm
burritos,
sure,
dude.
I'm sure Logan's been
It's
there.
a Taco Bell burrito. He eats a burrito in like
Where do
3
we-
seconds.
Yeah, I like that. I like that we tested down below the December lows.
Yeah, I think this thing will probably go to 1600 on the Dow Jones.
1600 on the Dow Jones.
From here,
Oh yeah.
1600.
16,000.
Yeah, I think that's what you
I'm
meant,
sorry.
right?
16,000. I'm sorry.
No, I figured I was just
Yeah.
playing your chain.
that's
But
that's a
but look, I mean, like, wouldn't you think this is a reasonable?
5% dump. Yeah, this is 30%. This has been outside of the global financial crisis, which was nowhere near speed and was a very methodical sell-off, and that was more.
It would
few
take
more
two
bad stuff.
from where we are
Few
now.
more really
2 more
bad
weeks
stuff.
would be needed for the financial
Bear
crisis
Stearns
to
is
catch up.
illiquid. Really
Yeah,
bad
but how
stuff.
could this not? How could this not?
Few more bad stuff.
It will be. The next 2 weeks is going to be all bad.
There's a bullish argument here,
When
right?
the
With a stop
algos
loss.
and people stop trading the bad. They stop caring about the bad news when they stopped caring about the yield curve starting to invert. When they stopped reacting as much to China news, like that's when. And then they do react heavier to any good news. That's
I mean, you're gonna make a
Yeah,
retreat. You're not gonna
yeah,
go.
that's the bottom. I mean, yeah, I agree.
Straight
People are,
down.
people are going to stop caring about bad news.
I'm not saying this is the bottom by any means, but I don't think you're going from here to 16,000 on the Dow.
No, I think you'll have the reflective rally, but I mean, I might sell and we can get into some push at that point, depending on how everything looks.
Go for it. Yeah, I mean that's the time to do it. But I'd wait until you're at a right area, and because as this goes up and that VIX like gets to certain levels and liquidity is increased for hedge funds, watch out.
Right.
So I mean that's the other factor. It's something. It's an insane amount of money. So what do we?
All right. Well, could you say that we can get to the? Could you say we could get to the 1414? There's a lot of support there. I mean, it's not too far off.
Which where y'all anchoring?
Yeah, but
I could say anything. That's a good point, dude.
I think they're anchoring December 24th, 2018 low.
Oh, wow.
From October.
Is that confluent with anything from 2009?
No, I'm anchoring February 9th, 2009.
Okay, and just real quick.
It's confluent with 2015. Those that little sideways high right there.
2015 on the DAT, so 201.
Just get like, what's the 382 on from the 2009? 2060, 2000.
Damn, I gotta look it up. Really?
Well,
such a good song.
Despite what I wanted to do, I took one of your chug debts off. And it's in
Thank you, dude.
Or it's in IRL.
Thank you, dude. It's just like, you know,
But I
you gotta.
So that would be a confluent with a 50% retrace from 2008.
What, the 1272?
Do a 1414.
Oh, 1919.
18,000 Dow Jones.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm looking at the S&P. My bad. Okay.
And on the S&P, I think in time we could potentially see 50% retrace from the 2009 lows, like 203, 204.
You may wick down there. I think you've got a ton of support in the 211 area.
Yeah, I see that. I mean, but that zone from those all-time highs in 2015.
I mean, it's a I mean, the amount of time we were going. That would.
Oh, the real confluence, dude. You know, it's like 17K. That's the real confluence, right? Know what you're talking about? On Dow Jones?
Retrace.
Yeah, it's confluent with the 1618.
Yeah.
I think y'all were talking about. I mean, I was just. Yeah, that's
drop peak to trough.
That's it there.
618 would be a 50% drop.
The 9000's also confluence area. No cap up. Serious. 2618. Yep. The 886. I mean, dude, come on. We're in Great Depression levels. That's not gonna happen. Probably. That's
9/11 level.
Too many like people invested in the success of this this chart for it to get ever down to that level. Like, it's just not gonna happen. Yeah.
And
you can't
for
bet
a certain someone that tied his entire presidency to this market and
messed up, dude. Fatal flaw.
Yeah,
oh, that too. Yeah.
What will they do to try to correct it just to get through November?
Dude, yeah, you'll get a
Dipsy, Lala.
Right,
and
but you guys
Stinky
are
Winky Sarah
in straight economy. I mean, what if this thing runs
when I
rampant?
read
Like, out of control.
what are peak per
Yeah, the president tries to correct it, and it just leads to like,
repercussions.
more money printed.
Thanks to Lawman for the 10, dude. Flugner Connect, by the way. Sorry.
It was the death rate wasn't bad. H1N1 was gnarly. That came in April 2000.
Mitch, your chug debt is low enough. I think you should do one.
No, I'm not doing another chug.
people.
I'm not doing. I'm done.
What do you mean, man? I just took one down for you.
I know.
So
I
you
just
only have,
took
like, left.
one. I just took. Dude, I took 2. I did 2 chugs tonight. 2. My stomach's like hurting when I take them now. It's like, yeah, 2.
It would be nasty.
You're
to
weak,
see
man. The Corona's gonna get you.
The perfect
Alcohol.
ABCD pattern. Here, Mitch. If we ran from here back up on, I'm on SPY, so 2962 on SPX, and then dump back down to fill a gap down at 1870.
Oh,
That
we
would
got
be
a
your
new
perfect
chug in IRL from Blue Beasts.
Burger, come in.
We got a new incoming one. Blue Beast chugging now. Oh, a Bush Light? Oh my gosh.
Dude, we got Logan too. Yeah, hold on. Let me pull it up. All right, here's Logan first. Shot connect. So much easier. That's how your stomach doesn't hurt. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even really drink beer anymore, dude.
Nice ABCD pattern would fill the gap and also hit your highs from kind of your double top in 2015.
Bush, baby. That face at the end.
Classic.
Oh my god, dude. Thanks, Blue Beast, man. Having a
That was
jet.
some of the things we were talking about before when you switched off we were waiting for you to go live, is that in time, I mean, if you're a long-term investor, there's certain things, there's areas of value that you could dollar cost average into a long-term account. They're just beaten up, but yeah, I mean, they could obviously go lower, but there's going to be great opportunity to, like, you didn't get to trade the other one, to build a lot of wealth, a lot more than the Trump pump, which has gotten you nowhere now.
Dude, yeah, literally nowhere, dude. My god.
He's got so
I
many
couldn't even get people into stocks until they crashed. So thank you for that, I guess, right? You know, get people to be like hyped on stocks. Let's go.
Yeah, and it was.
Have you looked at SWN? You know, it's been beaten down pretty hard.
Oh, we got one more, dude. We got one.
Got
from
another
Jacob
one?
G coming in. IRL.
We were chatting about
Jacob G.
What is this 8.3% death rate in Italy?
A Dodgers
Holy
jersey
crap,
in the
dude.
background.
Do you hear
I
that?
hope you're not quarantined.
What
in
is
there.
it?
8.3.
In Italy, they're sending people home to
Jacob, man.
die.
And that's the real concern. That's like the
Dodgers.
Yeah, because Italy's actually being honest.
Yeah, Northern Italy lives on top of each other. Second
That focus.
country
and their own,
and their healthcare.
Yeah, and their water distribution system hasn't been updated since like the 1800s, dude. Like
Jacob G, man.
their water.
Thanks so much,
system is
dude.
really bad,
Fantastic. Good form.
Yeah, don't double count that, by the way.
Dude, I don't even know what to do anymore, man. This is beyond me.
Dude, you're getting so much relief, man. It's like you're.
Go Dodgers.
Yeah, getting injected with liquidity.
Go Dodgers.
Damn, that's like a
futures,
that's like a
man. What
pint.
the heck?
That's not a half Bush Light, but the Bush Light face was a classic. The Blue Beast.
Does anyone love seeing futures not going up? I mean, it is. It's been going up. But don't you like seeing it
Dude, we
sell
had
off?
the Modelo, we had
and then
the Dos
Bitcoin's
Equis,
going
we had
up.
every beer but Corona tonight. All the Mexican beers, but no.
Yeah, there's
Coronas.
actually a Budweiser in that cup too.
Oh man, we spoiled the fun. Should have just
sorry.
went with it. It's okay. Good track, dude.
So.
Truly was fantastic, man. Thanks so much, dude. Oh my god. Sorry.
Spain's up 5.77%. France is up 2%. This is before they open, so kind of their futures. Germany's up 1.2%. The Hang Seng is down. Is basically on. Italy's up 1.25%. If there's anything that's saying we're having a green day, it's that Italy's actually up.
Hey, did you guys see that the Philippines just said no more trading? Like they completely
Well,
closed
no,
trading.
dude, we can't talk about it. I don't
Yeah, they
think,
say
Brad,
that, dude,
but Logan, y'all know
the
what?
Philippines underground. The Philippines
Dude,
underground
look at
Bitcoin market.
Yeah.
Alice and Nathan
Always
chat.
doing it,
There's
dude.
an up.
Like
There's
what
an update. Look
Duarte
at chat.
says.
Can we talk about it?
Duarte says and what the people do are different things, bro.
No,
Bruh.
Mitch, look
For
at the
real.
chat right now. He just posted an update.
Okay.
Nikki's up and China's up today, Mitch. Now.
though they lead though, I've seen them lead and then we have a bad day and then the next day is terrible. Like, I mean, like, yeah, they're leading us, right? But it's like they're literally kind of following us too from the previous day. It's like, oh, there was no crash.
Not terrible.
Yeah, they didn't. The U.S. stock market didn't crash. Okay, so we're leading them, so we're just gonna follow them, though we lead them on time.
Yeah.
And if we crash tomorrow, then they're gonna crash on Monday. Like, you know, like. So whatever they're doing, good, but it doesn't really have any effect on our market, right? So much, like.
Difficult time.
We are
crash
kings.
when the negative selling volume. I'm not saying we're gonna update, but to have a crash when you have to close short positions tomorrow.
True that.
And I mean, there's.
Hey, stability. That's all I care about. I like stability.
82% of the volume was short, so it's a lot of shorts. And they just felt like closing.
Yeah, they did.
And rolling, people have an idea that rolling an options contract or rolling a futures contract doesn't really do anything. No, you buy to close out and then you open the next one. So generally,
and it's all going to go into Bitcoin.
Down days.
Wait.
They're wild card. Fridays are wild card days. I mean, like, but most of the time, it's just wild card.
Yeah,
Dude, who is holding a position open over the weekend in this fucking craziness?
FYX.
Yeah, you're dumping the whole week.
Outside of FYX.
You're closing.
Like, who's holding
you're
it?
Buying to close into the weekend. When we were pumping, we would sell off on Fridays.
I know I said I had no more tips today, but in Chicago, all my surrounding stores are sold out.
Flugner?
I get that.
Flugner?
That's if
The
you're
local
running
colleges
options.
are for parties.
No, if you're
One
having
flyer
a red
read
week,
Yellow Corona
Flugner?
blowout,
generally
this
going to have an
generation.
upwards Friday.
Safe word didn't work. Get wrecked.
Hey, probs. Hey, probs.
Yeah,
Nice try, Mitch. Good try.
YOLO Corona blowout. This generation.
Dude, 1G. We've been trying to party for so long, but now it's a lockdown.
Thank you, Nefarious, man, for the threes, dude. It's
We
it's a
are
madhouse.
Trying to keep us apart. We chug too hard when we're together, man.
We're just monitoring the
Which
tendies.
VIX chart do you have up? Can you check the June contract? I think it's VIX M20. VIX M2020 on Thinkorswim.
Yeah. Oh, I have just VXH20. What is it?
VX. It's VXM. So the H is the March.
Oh, got it.
contract. M
Yeah.
What's the price at?
48.80. Lower high. Oh my god, tendies for FYX, man.
That's the one I'm short.
Oh my god. Look at the head and shoulders on the 5-minute chart, man. It's huge. It's like the DAX from like 2016, dudes. Oh my god.
Oh wait, we got a new 1G chug in the community IRL.
Yeah,
Dude.
1G.
And he got his mohawk going, so it must be intense, dude. I haven't even watched it.
Yeah, I was there to get.
Is it gonna be faster than the 2-minute lap time he had last
Oh
time?
my god.
Are you on the 5-minute?
Yeah, dude. I don't chart on this. I mean, anymore. I used to before Trading View.
Triple tap on the 5-minute.
Do it. Yeah, my good, man. Dude, I'm playing the montage parody in the background. It's way more funny when you can hear it, but. Oh my god.
Decrease in volume. Oh, making me so.
Dude, look at that U-shaped volume, man. Oh my god, dude, this is so dumb. This montage party stuff. Come on, dude.
Nah, traders would
what
get it, dude, but no one else would find
Trading into right now.
TA sexual.
You really can't trade.
Oh my god! So dumb. I love it though, man. I love it. Anyway.
Holy crap, dude. Did you see 1G's new chug?
No.
He even broke his previous time, dude.
Dude, content. It's the
He went
content.
from like 2.1 second, then he went to like 1.88 seconds, and now he's at like 1.62 seconds.
Wait.
It was a Jeff. It was a
And it's a
Jeff
dark-
challenge.
dude,
I
it's a
don't know
dark
what
beer,
we
too.
win, but
It's
I
not
did
like
it.
Little baby beer.
Mitch is, if you chugged 3 beers in under 8 seconds, Mitch's entire debt is wiped off the book.
All right.
Oh,
let's see
1G's
that.
pulling through for you, dude.
I'm gonna
Canadian relief.
I'm
Canadian
gonna
debt
let
relief.
all
Said no one
the
ever.
people in the chat to vote if
What's your currency called?
I'm voting for you,
What's the
1G.
weird French Canadian currency?
Poutine.
Putin coin. All in.
Poutine coin.
Or isn't it Monopoly money up there, dude?
Hey! We got a new one. It's toilet paper coin.
Oh yeah, dude. That's.
Yeah, dude. People have been stabbing each other over toilet paper coin. I heard about.
I hear the Fed is gonna acquire that toilet paper coin, and that's how the New World Order starts.
But
No
whenever
joke.
a Canadian gets stabbed off toilet paper coin, they always say sorry.
So I just got a response back from my partner. So we're shutting down all 6 stores. But we're having an employee in there to answer phone calls, to handle issues, and deliveries are continuing to go.
Where? What is this?
Buddy. So I have 6 stores across.
Yeah.
County, Orange County, San Diego. So.
Wow, Tim, you're very good at Photoshop, dude.
They're
nice
shutting
fake
down.
chug video.
They're basically closing the stores down, but they're putting an employee in there to answer phone calls, to answer questions for people, to keep all the sales. Like, we've done an insane amount of sale recently. That's why, like, I've been on the.
Did you mandate that?
nonstop. No, I wish I had that political power. But they shut down all the gyms in LA City.
That's
and LA
that's true. Yeah, well, they mandated it. Sorry. Yeah.
Record-setting day.
Dude, let's play this 1G chug.
Yeah, I'm ready. I got it at the ready. All right, here it is. Here it is.
Good form. Yeah, don't.
CCCP Pros Chicks. 1. Oh my God.
There's someone to hold
It's
my
like a
sale.
black hole, dude. And the beer's not like clear water beer. It's all
Oh my God.
thick.
Bruce, it's red ale.
Chugging a red ale. Oh my gosh, man. With the mohawk and everything.
Moonshine. Hell yeah.
Bitcoin.
Yeah. 1G convinced me the Canadians are
Big Daddy.
badass.
Okay, I'm going.
It's going up. Bitcoin
Oh my
gonna
god, I
do
didn't
things.
even watch
Holding
the end of the
support.
video. He did a triple. What? He's
Yeah.
still going?
Yeah.
Dude, I paused at the first chug.
Oh, I got.
I didn't even know he did 3 chugs.
Yeah, because he chugs.
1G.
You understand? He chugs so
And
fast.
you did 3.
When you see 1
Where did
second.
that go, dude? What's going on?
Give me someone to hold myself, man. I could do all will.
Scientists just don't understand.
I know.
Do you realize how I missed him doing a double shot or double chug? Because like there was only like 1 second or 2 seconds left, and it's like that is the time that like it would take someone to just put their drink down and then hit stop recording.
Exactly.
Like that.
How many chugs can you fit in a 3-second
That's
video?
so nuts,
Does not
dude.
make sense.
That's like power, dude. Bitcoin 6250. Futures starting to there. It's just bullish consolidation at this point. It looks like on the peasant time frames. FYX's favorite. Dude, look at that bull flag, dude. Oh yeah, we're bull flagging. Oh yeah.
The currency markets are trading at. Yeah. Pretty good.
Dude, MLG Jackie Chan. What is this? Dude, all this stuff. I gotta get out of this, man. I'm done with the MLG. I can't do it anymore.
Oh no, which chat did you enter, dude? The zoo?
Dude, it's just like meme of the month, huh? Dude, I think I'm still winning meme of the month. Oh, dude, MLGTA compilation video. Yeah, there it is, dude. Rising through method sample text. Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. Is that Bulkowski? Yeah, dude. Yeah. I like
my God,
it.
Sakoshi finally blessed us with a.
Dude, we don't even know who it is anymore. It could be Kanatomo, but it might
it's
be
Brad
Julia.
Jules Skulski.
Rising
Three abstract.
is oh baby a trip. Oh baby a
Oh, I need to get that sound clip of like all the kids like screaming at the top of their lungs because of the play, like the sick play. Oh! Like I've got.
No scope.
Oh yeah, dude. 360 no scope, Doritos, Mountain Dew. Oh man, I mean.
The 382 no scope.
And then yeah, the 382 no scope, dude. Ooh, Pog Max. Dude, yeah, we get the Poggers, man. Oh, fantastic.
All right, everyone go on meme of the month and spam some emojis on the new meme, dude.
Yeah, because I think that should be.
Let's get him some love.
Implemented.
It's rare that this unknown person that sounds like stay-at-home Tim makes an emoji.
Dude, bull flag for FYX's tendies. In the oven right now, cooking. Oh my god, it's a 5-minute rising.
FYX, yeah, he's gonna see a 5 minute.
People
Three right soldiers.
at home?
Oh yeah, dude, all the
That was
time.
just something you bought.
No.
People
No,
actually
dude.
cooked it. Why not like make chicken breasts, dude? Why would you
Dude, this
do that?
bull market's back, chat. It's back. We're bull flagging. Bitcoin's going to the moon. Everything's cool, man. Everything's gonna be
Oh,
okay.
yeah. Where's Joe Panu? Every time Bitcoin goes up 1%, Joe Panu shows up in the chat. 14K.
No, when we crashed, he showed up. I saw him say 14K when we crashed.
Yeah,
like we were at like 4K. We were like, it was the day, right? The day of the crash. No, I'm not talking the day of the crash. The second part of the crash, right? Where we had already crashed, but then we crashed again.
Yeah, he shows up for the aftermath.
14K. I was like, dude, well, at this
Swear, guys.
at this rate, I guess.
I
Hey,
called him
man.
out immediately.
It's pretty nice pace for Bitcoin. I like the recovery, man. It's you know. But the thing is, you just gotta wonder.
The retrace or the recovery, dude?
It's the retrace. It's just the common retrace. But look, man, you just gotta wonder on the 4 hour, right? Look at us now, right? It's our third peak, a positive Momo. You know, it's now waning. And you're at critical resistance, and I would love nothing more than Bitcoin to just pump, and we see 7,200, 76, or 8,000. I just love it, man, more than anybody probably, or as much as anybody. But the daily, man, makes me think, right? You're gonna get one more leg down. You're gonna get another leg down, and you're gonna get a real good opportunity. But if you FOMOing in now, like at critical resistances after it's already run up, you're just not
this
how
would
you
be the worst place.
Yeah, this is not
like, come on.
You have
Plus, there's a bunch of mining farms that are like
CME closing next
non-operational right now because they're waiting or they're setting the shit up. So it's like it's in their interest to keep the price low until their farms are operational. So food for thought, corn for
mining
thought.
farms. No one's gonna have any jobs. The computer chips are a lot cheaper now.
No, but they're rewriting their algos for
process.
to optimize for the halvening. They're not playing into the halvening. They're optimizing now for after the halvening.
Oh, Vichin doing
Mitch, I gave
things.
you
What's
a raspberry
what's
lime
the
ale chug.
I know we've only had two.
Raspberry limeade?
Raspberry lime ale.
Do we rally into the halvening? Dump into the halvening.
All right, we got another chug on our hands.
Well, you can listen to what I just said and then
Dude, another Dodger, dude. Oh my god.
The conclusion.
Are you
just text me,
serious?
Jeff.
More Dodgers.
Is the first text still on? Or
I might become a Dodger fan now, dude.
Yeah, the first one's still on. That's what I'm saying, dude.
Copy.
So
Fantastic, Bryce V, man. So it's raspberry lime. What is it? The pie? What is Raspberry Pi again? Isn't that like a VPN or something? Or like a VPN,
like
but for it's like, you know,
it's like a
hardware.
base computers. Yeah, it's like a base computer system that you can use to run a bunch of different things, basically.
Was Strawberry Wine a popular song when you?
No.
Oh, who was that chugging, dude? Why is everyone LA, Jersey, LA?
That was bright. That's what I'm saying, man. Everyone's in Cali. That's like the thing, though.
LA's
It's like
just like, I'm stuck. I can't get out.
everyone's stuck,
I
man,
can't
in
go to the
Cali.
strip club.
Yeah, man. That's got to be rough.
This area, like outside of New York and San Francisco, this city's so spread apart.
Yeah, I mean, LA's tough because like they can lock that down because of their freeway system, like really easily. But other parts of California, it's like gets super spread out, so you can move around. I guess.
Well, there's. I guess they can find businesses. They can't give you a misdemeanor arrest for being out in public. For businesses staying open and ignoring the order, that's basically a ticketable offense, which is a misdemeanor offense. So it's not you being out. It's a.
Dang, that raspberry beer looks refreshing as hell, dude.
It's a shelter in place for people, but businesses are ordered to close. So, I mean, most every business is already.
So if someone's homeless and that's their occupation, do they have to stop being homeless? Oh?
Yeah.
How does that work? I don't know.
I don't know, man. I mean, in San Francisco, they set up like shelters for them, but it might just like put them in one place for everyone to get infected.
What's up with Burbank? Is that bad?
I can buy partial shares of Tesla. I'm finally saved up enough money not to be homeless. I got $10,000. I'm buying partial shares of Tesla.
Yeah, controlling the homeless is like trying to control.
Thoughts on rumored DARPA long-range acoustic device. The voice of God.
Sometimes like branches get there on your way.
Hello, is it me, the Jesus man, the Lord? The voice of God?
Sorry.
Dude, the homeless in SF, like, they don't give an F about the cops, dude. Like, they will rebel against the cops heavy.
Can we figure out how long I've been
and
live?
just break in windows, dude. Like, every car, like, if you drive a car, then you're obviously not from San Francisco. Because they'll come around and just break your window and take anything from the inside, and cops won't do anything.
Well, they will. There's no criminal charges that'll ever get. So no one. You don't want to arrest them because one, you don't want any disease, especially now. When you're
No, but before that, even it was just like, okay, whatever, you did it, dude.
Y'all realize I've been live total today over 10 hours, right? Of all my streams combined, over 3 hours, or sorry, over 10 hours.
It's only making your immune system stronger and more efficient.
Gotta get those numbers, Mitch. Those are kindergarten numbers.
Yeah, I used to do one stream 10 hours, dude, and now you have to split up into 3. Corona's gonna get you, dude.
I told you, 31.
You're slacking.
Dude, I'm covering multiple markets, man. Covering stocks at open, and then we're doing candle closes on Bitcoin on the daily at the end, and then we're doing night streams.
Yeah, you're crazy, dude. When I'm going to like sleep, it's like your morning stock stream is starting. I'm like, oh my god, this guy's crazy.
31 hit you like a brick wall being a former football player.
I don't know, man. I'm not expecting this. Okay, it should be more like, yeah, it's true, man. Kind of crazy. Anyway, it's like, I don't know, spreading out like the different times is about the same as like doing 1 10-hour stream, I guess, because it's like, I don't know, because there's always a chance. Oh, I don't have to come back. I didn't have to stream today for Bitcoin, like the afternoon stream. I could just skipped it, and but it's just like, I don't know. And that was such a fun stream. Oh my god, stream got lit. People were freaking out about the asteroid news and stuff. Like, and I was taking it back.
Asteroid? What?
Y'all didn't hear it? What?
No.
You guys don't know about the asteroid? Oh my god!
There's supposedly some
enough to freak out about Corona. Like now, you have to take on another irrational fear of an asteroid.
There's seriously like an asteroid that could be heading for like Earth or something by NASA. So
it's gonna move past us like 4 million miles away, which is
nah, it was way closer than that, like 300,000 miles or something. So
if it's measured in miles, it's close. If it's not measured in light years, then like once it's measured in miles, it means it's close enough.
Is it the one that's stuck in orbit?
Well, yeah. There's a. What's up,
Maybe we'll just get a second moon. It'll hit our orbit and just.
Yeah, I think it technically is a second moon right now. So.
We pass through a belt like twice a year, which I think is May and March. So there's always you have two chances.
Dude, you got to go out more often if your belt's only getting passed through twice a year.
Wow. Just stay live for open. Yeah, Brian. Let's go, dude. 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. We got Bruce Willis, Billy Bob Thornton, Ben Affleck, Steve Buscemi. They're all on standby. They're going.
Oh yeah,
all their
dude.
names have the letter B in them.
And Aerosmith, of course, right? Aerosmith is there to play the music.
I don't want to close my eyes.
Exactly, man.
And it's in the song where the dude's daughter is getting like about to get eggplanted when they're playing the song.
What's up, Yanni? Thanks for the sub.
Like, this
Excellent choice of words, my
timing,
friend.
My song. This isn't cool, man.
What is this, K-Ross? What is K-Ross saying? You just need me to know that Bryce is who mentioned buying in at 13K, and you went on one of the top rants of stream history last summer. But look at him now; it's beautiful. Where's Bryce? Is he here?
Well, Bryce shared a Chug video with us, so he's cool.
Oh, is that that Bryce? Are we sure it's the Bryce? I don't know. K-Ross, what?
No, dude, that is me.
That was you.
It. That's one of my buddies.
Yeah. So don't be hating unless.
Dang, man.
Sharing a Chug video.
It's just no value.
He's not hating. He's not.
He's just whatever. Yeah, for sure.
Well, is the problem people like to share different types of trading styles here. I think a lot of the focus is swing style. You know, it's like.
Well, that's like a good platform to
careful
learn
what
off
you
of.
say.
That's why Mitch teaches it as well.
Well, exactly, and I'm totally like that's the best way I think to learn.
And you could apply what he teaches on like any time frame. The time frame
Yeah.
doesn't matter as much.
I think
it's just safer for him to teach on a larger time frame. If he's
people
teaching
in chat-
scalping on a 5-minute, then everyone's gonna get rigged. And it's
Yeah,
just
but
irresponsible.
if people in chat are gonna go and post things like that, they need to actually kind of have some sort of parameters. It's like they can't just say in a swing community, you know,
general
it's
chat
best
gets
time to
crazy,
buy.
dude. Like, there's no way to regulate it anymore. There's too many
yeah.
members.
It doesn't need to be regulated, I guess.
So-
Just people got to understand why it would be rejected in this community.
Oh yeah, people come in and say super irresponsible stuff and like
try
to mislead and confuse people in the
Yeah,
community.
they come in and act like they like built the community. The way they
build
talk, they're like, I've been here for
Or they
5
come in and
years,
say they don't
dude.
believe in TA. They don't use TA to trade.
Or they don't
It's like,
do
why
it the
are you
right
here
way.
in a
It's like
TA
that's not.
community?
It's like way to treat somebody who tipped Mitch over $400,000. It's like making up ridiculous shit. I've been here for 2 years.
Yeah.
Yeah, got a lot of that.
Hank with wanting his refund. I'd have a 3-hour conversation with him when he's just posting random Elliott
I
wave
remember
charts
him.
meant nothing. Yeah, I'm like, Hank,
Hey, Jeff?
Oh, Hank. Yeah.
don't make any sense, dude. Yeah.
Hey,
what's up?
Jeff. We got one more Chuck video in community
Jeff.
area.
Oh my god, dude.
One more chug.
Did the
One more.
BTC
Oh my gosh.
erase the Mitch step?
Is it Stay at Home Kings?
One G, what's going on, man?
No, this is
Still
Stay at Home
chugging, dude?
Kings.
Let's
Oh, Stay at Home
let the
Kings.
chat
Yes.
be the judge.
Oh my god.
Chug Debt Connect. No
Dude,
way.
The Kang chugs are rare.
Oh my god, this is insane, dude. Pulling out the big guns. Here it is.
Oh my god.
Kraken. Go. Dude, can chugging is the worst though, because it's just too
Yeah,
carbonated.
no airflow. And it doesn't
no,
come out easily.
well, there's just like no like you don't lose any carbonation, so like that burns, man, like bad. And
you're
air.
You're supposed to stick a screwdriver in the bottom of it, put your lips to it, and then pop the top.
Oh yeah, the old shotguns.
Yeah.
I did a shotgun on stream. 6270 chat, 6271.
You can turn the can upside down. Instead of where you're shotgunning, you just poke a hole in it.
Oh my god, Dad, that looks painful.
It starts
My
going
God.
quicker.
Wait, did he
Well
post
played,
it?
sir. Oh no, I
Let's
just
see.
saw it late because of the lag.
Yeah, it just went.
Oh, okay, my bad. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Alright.
That did not
Let me just tell you something, Mitch. I had an issue uploading the video because I was still in the Discord app. That was the fourth one that I chugged, bro. 4.
4?
Where's the evidence?
Yeah.
Rack for
4.
not learning technology.
My stomach is like bloated right now,
Oh my
dude.
God.
Like I don't know how, like
You're
I don't
gonna
blame you for like
carbonation.
taking that
You're
I
gonna
don't blame
start
you for taking
floating,
that
man.
spinner and like throwing it away, man, because
it's just rough, man. It's just like, hey, man. I mean,
yeah, carbonation.
I've been doing
Not
it
supposed to be,
like
man.
on and
There's
off.
no natural carbonation.
Move Chug and Logan's wreck. Like switch their spots. Let's see, just Logan.
Or just take one slice out and double up my slice, dude.
Yeah.
No,
Piece of the pie.
I want the actual Chug part to be Logan's wreck because I want to.
What?
Test,
Nah,
test
Mitch needs a chug on there. What the hell? I'm not getting paid for this, man.
His-
I'm just here donating
He
my
will
time
go into the spot
and
where
my liver.
Logan's wrecked is, and Chug will now become Logan's wreck.
All right, fine. It doesn't matter because it's
So
still gonna
that-
hit him.
that
Just the
spot-
wheel goes after him.
The law of what, man?
No, that's fine. That's cool. We can switch it up.
Oh, never mind. I see.
Has the Emperor paid off?
Mitch, show us the percentage thing so I make sure you're not like.
Oh,
percentage.
are you
change.
talking about on Stream Elements?
Yeah, don't you control the percentages?
For the 25 and 33, yeah, not the wheel.
Okay, never mind.
The wheel though is like it's kind of self-explanatory. You see it, and it's like, okay, there's 10 slivers, right? So it's like 10% chance, man. Right?
All right,
Is
yeah,
that it?
switch it up, dude. That's fine with me.
Dude, I don't know. Like, I mean, I've seriously got to recalibrate because it's like hitting chug too much,
There's no
and
start and end to a wheel. Like
Seriously,
everywhere is on an equivalent.
but no,
point.
even if I do that, it's
you
cute,
can put
it's
me on
funny, but like, what happens when it just goes to gets synced up with the chug in the new spot? It's like, we got to figure something out that's not like, I don't know, man. I'm
Are you really putting that tinfoil hat on that the random wheel programming is?
Yeah, we just
automatic?
bailed you out, dude. We just bailed you out, man. Just come
Yeah,
on.
y'all
So that's what
did.
I'm trying to disprove the theory.
2 a.m.
If all of a sudden
Eastern.
Logan Wreck comes up all the time, then we know.
Yeah.
There's something.
So this is the way to prove the theory. If you
Random
change,
number-
if you
number
switch
generator.
hours and it keeps hitting you, it keeps hitting Chug even though you switched it, then it's definitely like after you. We got to find a different
Or you're
plugin,
You're getting.
or you just have the best luck in the world.
Yeah, you're getting demolished for things you did years ago.
Go play some
62,
Vegas, dude,
76.
with the shutdown casinos.
Rallying.
Yeah, play beer pong and then
Seven-
put the ball at the ground.
$7.
4-hour highs. Just saying. We're doing things.
Keep telling Emily if we keep going, she's gonna end up with like 6 boys for all the sins she's made in the past. I'm good. 6
Cool
boys.
shirt, Mitch.
I'd have a-
I like your
I'd have
shirt, dude.
Dude, this is Mr. Rogers' neighborhood.
tight end.
That's a dope shirt, man.
Dude, it's like my Florida retiree shirt. That's what it is, dude. This is like, I'm 80. I've been in crypto. I'm 25. I've been in crypto for 5 minutes, and I feel great. It's like that guy. That's what he would wear. So yeah, Jeff, it was just very confusing what happened yesterday. I was very confused. It's like, why would any of that happen? Like, I don't even know.
They were drunk.
Wait, what happened yesterday, dude?
Their phones don't really work there. It's just my computer has a 5G stick in it.
Yeah, the downtime thing's crazy too, man. If you see some places like
They come to the house. and
everyone's at home, so everything's overloaded, dude. It's crazy, especially in areas without fiber.
See, what I think is
I
like,
still haven't asked about what the deal is. I've heard stories about, what I'm talking about, but everything I won't talk about it.
it's just like weird. Like, why would one do that? It's almost like Emily did it, and it's like, haha, funny, because like no one would actually do that if they're truly with someone else, like the way that's going on right now, because that's real. Because I saw it on Instagram. It's like, oh, they're like in a room, like a place on the beach or something together. It's like, that's weird. That's like no one.
That was like a month ago. Is our last picture, right?
No, it's like
Oh,
an
no, why are
Instagram
we
story.
talking about her, man?
Instagram story, right?
Get out of here.
Oh, an
Jeff
Instagram
hacked into his
story?
phone.
Yeah,
and
so that's like
blocked all
Snapchat. That's like,
communications.
oh,
Wow, dude, you went digging.
not
Yeah,
really.
bro.
It was
Dude.
just like, just like, how's that
Cabin
digging,
fever,
lurking?
man. What the hell?
Oh yeah. I went digging because someone telling me that they want me to come to Texas, and then it's like, oh yeah, is that real? Nah, obviously it can't be. It's got to be bullcrap, right? So, God forbid. I'm interested in like
them drunk and wanting to have fun and wanting you to come down, and then she wanted to hop on the stream and talk football with you stream.
And then like at the same time, I think like when does that meathead guy come by to say hi? Does he do a guest appearance on the show too? How does that work? I don't know, man. So that's where like
he won't come near me. So
yeah, don't worry, Mitch, man. Don't focus on the guys, man.
I'm not. It's just weird, man. It's like a weird situation. It's really
that's interesting on the Instagram. So I'll have to look at that because she's been.
But that's not weird, right? I'm a millennial. Like Instagram's like a normal thing. It's like people do it, right? So it's like.
Yeah.
But is he sitting at home right now while a bunch of people are buying him drinks? No.
No, I don't care about him. It's not even about. It's just like weird, like a weird variable that there was no context. Like the picture was painted a certain way, and then like found out, oh, that's not the painting that was drawn at all. It's a completely different painting. Oh, that's weird.
That's the problem with social media, man. It's like
it's more illuminating and I'm glad I knew, because like now it's like I don't want to be messing around with anything to do with that until like whatever. It's like
I don't think they were thinking of it in that way. I hate to say.
No, I'm just curious. Like it's just weird. I don't know. It's just different, man.
Emily, I think Emily probably pushed it.
Yeah, and that's what I'm thinking. It's like kind of like she did it like haha. And it's like, okay, but again,
no, it wasn't like a haha. It was like a come down and like we're having fun.
No, but it's like an M typing the convo, and then for
Mitch. This is what she wants to do, to endlessly think about it with no. You can never come to an answer ever. There's no way you could ever come to an answer.
My computer.
So it's like, why think about it?
Phone, both answering, and then I called Emily and I'm like, what is, she called me and I'm like, what is going on? Then I opened up YouTube on my phone, and then part of those are me saying something. Part of them is them. I don't know who.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, no one probably gets what's going on, man.
No one's supposed to. Like, that's what we're talking about. We're talking about it where people aren't supposed to. We're just having a conversation. I've only been live for 2 hours, 45 minutes. We've had 2 hours, 40 minutes to be talking about anything else, right? So, and again, we're talking over 10 hours, going on 11 hours stream time in this today.
Yeah, but we all took away your debt, dude.
You did. I'm just exhausted. I'm tired. I need to go to bed. It's freaking 2 a.m. Eastern. Right? 11 hours of live streaming. Is that not good enough? Who's not entertained here?
Incredible. Yeah, that's a lot.
I'm just not getting credit. I'm not getting enough credit where it's like, all right, that's understandable.
You set the standard too high too early, dude. So now it's like...
Have I spoiled? Spoil people?
You spoiled us, man.
How do you determine your credit? Like what determines the appreciation for the hours you do?
Oh, just like it's not about that. It's just more like Logan's being empathetic. Hey, I'm tired. Yeah, it's like I get it, man. Yeah,
I'm just messing with you.
Understandable, and that's it. Just empathy. That's all I like is empathy. In these situations.
Really, I was like impressed as hell, dude. When like this morning I was like going to bed because my Bitcoin alarms were going off, and then like I lay down in bed, and then I hear a bing, and it's like the YouTube alert, and it's like Mitch Ray going live. I'm like, what is? Like I haven't even slept yet, and this guy's up already streaming. What's going down?
And Logan, you didn't join us? Damn, dude.
Nah, man. I gotta sleep eventually, dude.
Yeah,
me too.
At least like once a week, and it happened to be that day. It happened to be that day, dude.
Till 6:30 in the morning. He's going to bed at 6:30 in the morning. There's
exactly, dude.
Not a normal schedule. Why don't you?
No, I went to bed earlier, but then my alarms woke me up. So.
You get on out of here and go to bed.
All right, I'll do it.
Why don't you to look.
I don't know. I
Yeah,
feel like you want to hang.
You're
with
going
us,
on
dude.
hour number 44 live streaming in the past 7 days, dude.
Literally? Really?
Yeah, literally.
I tallied it up, man. This is hour number 44, going on 45 in about 10 minutes.
Yeah,
So
Mitch
get
Race
back,
getting
go
up.
to sleep, bro.
You heard it, chat. There it was. I asked today. It seems like you did it. Thank you, man, for telling that, because it's been a lot of uptime. So thanks for that. 44 hours. So that's in the past 7 days, or just since like Monday or Sunday, or?
Since Sunday.
In the past 7 days.
Okay, so last Thursday to this Thursday is what you did.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Well.
That'd be it.
Yeah, and it's not counting the off-camera work where you're like, doing things for the stream and for the community and the Discord.
Yeah, it doesn't count that at all.
Yeah, those have to be discounted.
So it's probably like 70 hours. It's probably like 70 hours at least.
And before someone's gonna be like, oh, who cares, dude? That's like normal. That's like a normal job. Good job, dude. That's like, I remember one guy.
Can you imagine being in the advertising world right now? How wrecked that industry is?
Yeah, they're already reaching out.
I can't.
Street.
Oh God, sorry about that. I went long in a couple big advertising companies, thinking they were going to get some of the bigger Disney contracts.
What is a smiley face? Oh, sorry.
Dude, the stupidest advertising I saw was I got in the mail like a brochure to go on a cruise ship. I'm like, are you kidding me? This is what you spend your money on when you guys are getting destroyed?
Yeah,
like,
I thought
you're
so.
trying to convince
Yeah,
a random
I
stranger with
cruise ships.
Dude, y'all wait.
product,
Bruh.
like, nice glossy
Bruh.
photos. Like, that costs money to print all this, dude. Especially just to spam strangers. It's like, haven't you heard of email? It's like, why are you still sending through the post?
$400 billion ships that are sitting empty.
Yeah, and they're wasting money on like printing these super
they have
expensive 20-page flyers.
California, by the way.
Yeah,
I
everyone's
could
going with their
have never guessed.
Corona bug on there.
Just wait for the stream to show. Wait for it to update. You'll see in a second. It'll be real clear.
Too close for another person while talking. Nah, that must be fake, dude. That's not a ticket, dude. That's like.
Is it not?
Citations?
Nah.
What the hell?
Nah, dude,
No,
that's not.
That's fake.
Yeah, that's fake.
How is that fake?
Yeah, pull it out because I know what citations look like.
Yeah, probes would definitely know. Oh, it's up, dude. It's like you'll see it real clear. Now there's
I am. EBRPD, Newport Beach.
Yeah, in 21 days, it's usually like 30, like a month period at least. And they have so many. Dude, there's so much fine print on it. It's like.
Is correct.
Yeah. Oh, it is.
Cheers, Brian. Have a good one, man. So, waiting on the probes verdict. The Kremlin, or the...
Probst, what's the verdict?
Is it real? Is it fake? Is it smiley face?
I'm going for fake, dude. Oh, wait, zoom in the top part, like the barcode area at the top, where it's blacked out. The part blacked out.
There you go. It's
Where
zoomed.
the details are.
Alright, hold on. I'm going to tell you, that does not look like a tip.
East Bay Municipal Utility District? Why would a utility district be fining for that, dude? Like, or does she just have it over her utility bill she paid?
It's a parking violation.
Well, you can give parking violations to, like, misdemeanor citation people.
Oh, come on, everybody can make a
Come on, pros, make up your mind, man. We need to know this.
Kingdom Entangled.
There it is.
Do y'all know what meme of the month means?
So 9:32 a.m. The state of emergency wasn't declared yet.
Botanical Gardens.
Agency, Environmental Board, EBRPD doesn't make any sense.
Wait.
Well, it's two pieces of paper.
No,
So
that's
she
bullshit.
parked too long at the botanical
Yeah.
garden. Like,
Who would be in a
5 months.
botanical garden at 9:32 a.m.?
Hold on.
What the hell? Get out of here.
Citation is
It's possible.
Let's go stroll through a garden at 9:30 a.m.
Dude, you could definitely go to a garden at
Park
9
illegally
a.m.
and stand too close to each other.
1R.
When was the last time you went to a garden at 9 a.m., Mitch?
I mean, not me, but I know there are many people in real life, in the real world, that would do it, like a field trip or a, going
who
to
takes a field trip now at 9:30 a.m. in the morning to a botanical
children,
garden?
right? Children would go. Dude, they gotta be open. It's like, isn't can't botanical gardens be like public?
Well, Tim, you're like a super dad, so you don't count, man.
That ORG,
That's what I'm saying, like a real person.
It says a section 38.90.
Yeah, real person, not a super dad.
Section R.
Get out of here.
ORD is ordinance, but it would say something. Ordinance, for Torrance, it would say TMC, Torrance Municipal Code. For Newport Beach, it would say NBMC, Newport Beach Municipal Code.
Someone said, dead letters, like, look at why is it separate?
And at the bottom, it says disregard instructions on the reverse for violations cited above. It's like,
it's like, this is real, but then this is fake. This is fake, but this is real.
What if you read on the front, disregard it when you read the back side, and then when you read the back, disregard the front?
Smiley face, what have you done?
It was today. It was Tuesday at 9:30. It was put out today. It's in Newport Beach. Is the
What's that ordinance? Can you look up that ordinance? 38901.1R. Okay, so it's obviously fake. If the ordinance doesn't exist, it's fake.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna hang up. I have to.
We have disproved this. Fake news does not stand.
Fake news. Here. Smiley face. Get wrecked.
Chugs galore. We destroy it.
Get wrecked in a positive way. Love y'all. I'm gonna hang up. Hey, remember, over 10 hours, and then what is it? 44 hours and 7 days. So.
Man, you don't gotta tell us, dude.
Appreciated, man.
You working hard, dude. It's all good, bro.
I'll be back. You know it, like always.
Enjoy your bacon and eggs.
Thanks, Mitch.
Wash your hands. Be kangs. Peace. All right, chat. Just you and me. Again. All right, y'all. It's been great. Thanks so much for showing up for the third stream of the day, the final stream of the day. Truly humbling experience, always. Best community ever. Y'all the best, man. Y'all the best. Oh my God, man. Complete euphoria. Don't even know, man. Y'all don't even know how often I talk to the big man and tell him how grateful I am for y'all. Okay, I'll be back. Love y'all. Till next time. Respect the TA. Casey, man, thanks for the 2 super chat. Thanks, man. Gang, dude.
Bruh.
I do it for you. My life to serve.
Thanks.
No, thank you, Jalal, man. Thank you, Jalal, man.
Thank you.
JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.